Jésù náà ní lọ́ba àtàwí. Ó tún padà bọ̀ láti ṣèdájọ́ ayé. Pẹ̀lú ọ̀pá ìrìn ni yóò ṣe àkóso rẹ̀. Jésù bọ̀ wá o. Àmúra àlejọba pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Àmúra àlejọba pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Lórí gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè láti ẹnu rẹ̀. Ìdá mímú yóò jáde, yóò dànù, yóò ṣẹ́gun. Àmúra àlejọba pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Àmúra àlejọba pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Ó bọ̀ wá jọba lórí gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè láti ẹnu rẹ̀. Ìdá mímú yóò jáde, yóò dànù, yóò ṣẹ́gun. Jésù náà yìí ọba àtàwí. Ó tún padà bọ̀ láti ṣèdájọ́ ayé. Pẹ̀lú ọ̀pá ìrìn ni yóò ṣe àkóso rẹ̀. Jésù bọ̀ wá o. 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 Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Ó bọ̀ wá, olórí oko bọ̀ wá, ó bọ̀ wá, Jagunlabi bọ̀
Jésù
wá,
bọ̀ wá o.
ọba àjíkẹ́ bọ̀ wá.
Bọ̀ wá o.
Jésù ń bọ̀ nínú ayé rẹ̀,
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Jésù ń bọ̀ sínú ilé rẹ̀,
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Jésù ń bọ̀ sínú ayé rẹ̀.
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Ọba tó máa milẹ̀ títì
Jésù
títì
bọ̀
tì,
wá o.
ẹrù jẹ̀jẹ̀ bọ̀ wá, ó bọ̀ wá.
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Ó bá ti dé yóò gbálẹ̀ ìpakà mọ́,
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
yóò gbógun ti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìrọ́kẹ̀kẹ̀.
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Ó bọ̀ wá o.
Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Jésù náà yìí.
Lọ́ba àtàwí. Ó tún padà bọ̀ láti ṣèdájọ́ ayé. Pẹ̀lú ọ̀pá ìrìn ni yóò ṣe àkóso rẹ̀. Jésù bọ̀ wá o.
Ròyàn tó dá yàtọ̀
that you have poured upon us
tẹ́ ẹ ti dà lé wa lórí
to minister unto you.
láti jọ́sìn níwájú yín.
And we are here, we want you to minister to us again.
A wà níbí à ń fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run kẹ́bẹ̀ wá wò.
Meet everybody's needs.
Ẹ bá ìní oníkálukú pàdé.
Touch our hearts.
Ẹ fọwọ́ tọ́ ọkàn wa.
Rekindle our spirit.
Ẹ sọ ẹ̀mí wa jí.
Establish us on the way.
Ẹ fẹsẹ̀ wa múlẹ̀ lójú ọ̀nà náà.
Rekindle our hope.
Ẹ sọ ìrètí wa jí.
In Jesus' name we pray.
Ní orúkọ Jésù ni a gbàdúrà. Kókó tá à ń wò a ti wo kókó kejì lábẹ́ rẹ̀.
We are to look at
A
point
fẹ́
number
wo
2.
kókó kejì lábẹ́ rẹ̀.
And that point number 2 reads, wherever there is righteousness, there will be quietness and assurance.
Kókó kejì ló sì sọ pé níbikíbi tí òdodo bá gbé wà, ìdákẹ́jẹ́jẹ́ àti ìdájú yóò wà níbẹ̀.
Wherever there is righteousness,
Níbikíbi tí òdodo bá gbé wà,
there will be quietness
ìdákẹ́jẹ́ á wà níbẹ̀.
and assurance.
Ìdánilójú á sì wà níbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú.
And that's what we are going to look at this morning.
Ohun tá a fẹ́ gbé yẹ̀wò láàárọ̀ yìí nìyí.
But the controlling topic is
Ṣùgbọ́n kókó àkòrí ńlá tá à ń wò
God
ní
will greatly bless you.
bí Ọlọ́run á bùkún ọ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Bountiful harvest will come up wherever you are.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè á ṣẹlẹ̀ níbikíbi tó bá ti bá ara rẹ̀.
God will greatly bless you.
mo ní ọlọ́run á bùkún wa lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Bountiful harvest will come up wherever you are.
ọ̀pọ̀ ìkórè á sì ṣẹlẹ̀ níbikíbi tá a bá wà.
The subtopics under that topic
àkòrí tá a mú lábẹ́ ìyẹn
is to show us why we are going to have bountiful harvest.
kókò fi hàn wá wípé èrèdí wo gan la fi ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
The
ìkórè.
first subtopic that we have looked at, which we have seen,
kókó àkọ́kọ́ tá a ti wò tó ṣe ìkíní lábẹ́ rẹ̀.
we are going to have bountiful harvest
à á ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè nítorí
because
pé
Christ brought judgment into the world.
nítorí pé Jésù ti mú ìdájọ́ wá sáyé.
And we have seen that he has judged our sin.
a ti wò yẹn torí pé ó ti dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa lẹ́jọ́.
Our sins have been judged.
a ti dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa lẹ́jọ́.
Curses have been judged.
a ti dá àwọn ègún lẹ́jọ́
The
pẹ̀lú.
power of sin have been judged.
bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni àwọn agbára òkùnkùn
And
agbára
God has
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
dealt with the forces of darkness.
ó ti bá àwọn agbára òkùnkùn wí lórí ayé wa.
He has broken everything that is connecting with the power of sin.
gbogbo ohun tó sopọ̀ mọ́ agbára ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni Jésù ti
Because
já
of
ṣẹ́kẹ́ṣẹkẹ̀
that,
rẹ̀. nítorí
God
eléyìí
will bless you.
torí eléyìí Ọlọ́run á bùkún wa
Bountiful
lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
harvest will come up wherever you find
a
yourself.
sì máa kó
Amen.
ìkórè lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ níbikíbi tá a bá bára wa.
The main topic is from Isaiah chapter 32. All we are looking at under this topic is in Isaiah 32.
ibi àkòrí ibi tá à ń ka ibi kíkà wa ìwé Àìsáyà orí kejìlélọ́gbọ̀n
If you look at verse 20, New Living
láti ẹsẹ̀
Translation
ogún rẹ̀.
or the Living Bible bring out my point properly. All the others
ẹ̀yà
try, but
bíbélì
the language I'm
tí
using
wọ́n ti mú èdè
comes
yẹn
from
gan
those
ni.
Bibles
ẹ̀yà
translations.
bíbélì méjì yẹn náà ti
And
mú èdè
God
yẹn.
Yes,
will greatly bless his people.
yes. God will greatly bless you. Say that to yourself. God will
Ọlọ́run á
bless you.
bùkún mi lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fúnra
Yes, you are
rẹ̀.
reading.
Wherever they plant,
Wherever you plant, wherever you find yourself,
níbikíbi tó bá
wherever
wà
you are,
níbikíbi tó
whatever
bá
you
bá
are
ara rẹ̀
doing, you
ohunkóhun
are
yòówù
reading.
tó bá ń ṣe.
bountiful crops
Bountiful harvest.
will
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
spring
ìkórè.
up.
Bountiful harvest will spring up
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè á dìde fún ọ.
wherever you are,
níbikíbi tó bá bá ara
wherever
rẹ̀
you plant,
ibikíbi tó bá gbé
wherever you
sí
find yourself,
ibikíbi tó bá ti bá ara
there will
rẹ̀
be bountiful harvest.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè.
There will be bountiful
wàá rí
harvest.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè
Because
níbẹ̀.
the time has come for God to bless his people.
nítorí àkókò ti tó fún Ọlọ́run láti bùkún àwọn ènìyàn rẹ̀.
Background, I must remind you,
ìfá gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìfá àràmú ní láti rán
it
wa
was
létí.
Prophet Isaiah who said, the time is coming
wòlíì Àìsáyà ló ń sọ pé àkókò kan ń bọ̀.
that God will look down upon Israel as
bí
a
Ọlọ́run á
nation.
bójú wolẹ̀ wo àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè.
That time is coming that the people will have a listening ear. They will be able to listen and hear what God is saying.
bí àkókò náà ń bọ̀ tí àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì á ní etí ìgbọ́ tí wọ́n á lè tẹ́tí sí ohun tí Ọlọ́run
He
bá
has
wọn
spoken
sọ.
of their captivity.
ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìgbèkùn.
He has spoken of the suffering that is going to come upon them.
ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìyà tá a tẹ̀lé.
They will suffer,
wọ́n á jìyà
but glory is coming.
ṣùgbọ́n ògo á tẹ̀lé.
Some of
Ó ń
you
bọ̀.
are passing through suffering,
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa ń la ìjìyà
and
kọjá
all of
lónìí.
us have been suffering in Adam.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa sì ń jìyà nínú
But
Ádámù.
glory will come.
ṣùgbọ́n ògo á dé lọ́jọ́ kan.
Glory will come.
ògo ń bọ̀.
Isaiah told them, and like other prophets told them,
ìwé Àìsáyà wòlíì Àìsáyà sọ fún wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn wòlíì
like
mìíràn náà
it
ti sọ fún wọn.
prophesies to them
gẹ́gẹ́ bí Mósè ṣe sọ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀ fún
that
wọn
they are going into captivity.
pé wọ́n ń lọ sí ilẹ̀ ìgbèkùn o
They will plant and they will not.
pé wọ́n á gbìn ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò ní kórè.
But a time is coming.
ó ní ṣùgbọ́n àkókò kan ń bọ̀
God will visit his people
Ọlọ́run á bẹ àwọn ènìyàn
and he will bless them.
á sì bùkún wọn
He will bless them.
á bùkún
Wherever they are,
ibikíbi tí wọ́n bá
whatever
wà.
they plant,
ohunkóhun tí wọ́n bá
there
gbìn,
will be bountiful harvest.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè àwa jáde
And do
tẹ̀lé.
you know Israel has not got to this point in their history?
ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì ò tí ì dé ìkórìtà tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ nínú
This
ìtàn wọn.
prophecy has not come to pass fully on Israel as a
ìsọtẹ́lẹ̀
nation.
yìí kò tí ì wáyé ní kíkún fún àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì.
Because it is Jesus that will come,
torí Jésù ló lẹ́ni tá a wá.
judge sin,
á dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
judge what will disturb them from being blessed,
á wá dá ohun gbogbo tí ó dín
remove
ìbùkún wọn lọ́wọ́
all
àtẹ̀lẹ́jọ́.
obstacles from their
á mú
ways.
gbogbo ìdíwọ́ ìdènà kúrò
And
lójú
when
ọ̀nà.
he removed the obstacles from their ways,
wá mú ìdíwọ́ yìí kúrò lójú ọ̀nà.
bountiful harvest will come up.
ìkórè lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwádé.
Jesus came to them,
Jésù ń wá bá wọn.
they rejected him.
wọ́n kọ̀ ọ́.
But he came to us
ṣùgbọ́n ó wá sọ́dọ̀
And we accept him.
a sì tẹ́wọ́ gbà á.
Any of you that have accepted Christ today,
gbogbo ẹ̀yin bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti tẹ́wọ́ gba Jésù lónìí.
those of you listen to the word today,
tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀
who
lónìí.
turn your heart to Christ
tẹ́
today,
ẹ yí ọkàn yín padà sí.
and you don't rely on the works of your hand,
tẹ́ ẹ wá sí mi ilé iṣẹ́
you are
iṣẹ́
not
ọwọ́.
just being religious.
ẹ jẹ́ ẹlẹ́sìn lásán.
You are not just coming to
ẹ
church.
kì í kàn ṣe pé
You are
wọ́n
not
ní
just
ìwà
gathering
mọ̀
with people of
wá. kì í kàn
God.
ṣe pé wọ́n ní ìkórajọpọ̀.
You have a listening
wọ́n
ear,
tẹ́ ẹ ní etí ìgbọ́.
and you follow Christ with your faith in your heart,
tẹ́ ẹ sì ń tẹ̀lé Jésù pẹ̀lú ìgbàgbọ́.
and you allow your sin to be taken away by the blood of
ẹ sì wá
Jesus.
gba Jésù láàyè ẹgbà ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀.
And you just submit to him, as I've been shouting and saying in your midst.
gbogbo rẹ̀ fún gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń sọ ọ́ láàrin.
God will bless you.
Ọlọ́run á gbogbo.
Bountiful harvest will come to you.
ìkórè lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni wàá kó.
Whatever you plant, you will reap.
ohunkóhun tó o bá gbìn.
Wherever you plant, you will reap.
ibikíbi tó o bá gbìn sí wàá kórè níbẹ̀.
Remember, I was saying it in the beginning.
ẹ mọ̀ pé mò ń sọ ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀.
This is the time of the fulfillment for us who are not Israelites as a nation.
mo ní àkókò kíkún àwa tí a kì í ṣe Ísírẹ́lì gẹ́gẹ́ bí
It is both a spiritual manifestations and physical manifestations.
a wá farahàn nínú ara àti nínú ẹ̀mí fún
You
wa.
could remember. Let me go back to history.
ẹ rántí kí n lọ sínú ìtàn.
In the history of the church,
nínú ìtàn ìjọ.
when the church began in Asia,
ní ìgbà tí ìjọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Asia
and
lọ́hùn.
those who believe Christ, God begin to bless them.
àwọn tó gba Ọlọ́run gbọ́ Ọlọ́run wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bùkún
Wherever they are, whatever they
Ibi tí
are,
wọ́n bá wà,
whatever
ibi
they
tí wọ́n bá lọ,
plant, they
ohunkóhun
begin
tí wọ́n bá
to
gbìn,
increase.
wọ́n wá ń rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
Until
kó.
the church begin to come to Europe after the Dark Ages.
ìgbà tí ìjọ wá lọ sí Yúróòpù ní.
lẹ́yìn àkókò òkùnkùn biribiri nínú ayé.
after the
Thank you.
dark ages.
I won't go into the issue of Dark Ages. Yeah, just a little. When it got to Europe and it got to Britain and those areas in
nígbà
those days,
tí ìrere dé gbogbo ibi ìwọ̀n tí wọ́n
I
dárúkọ
repeat.
yìí mo tún ti sọ.
Britain became great because of the gospel.
orílẹ̀-èdè tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí ó di ńlá nítorí ìhìnrere ni.
The whole world began to call them Great Britain
wọ́n wá ń pè wọ́n ní orílẹ̀-èdè tó tóbi.
because they gave Christ the opportunity to rule their life.
torí pé wọ́n gba Jésù láàyè láti jọba nínú ọkàn wọn.
Those of you who have the English edition of the Bible,
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lo èdè òyìnbó bíbélì.
the first and the most perfect and most nearer to the original,
bíbélì tó
The
dàbí ẹni
first-
pé ó pé jù tó ti
the first and the most nearer to the original translation of the Bible
àkọ́kọ́ àti èyí tó súnmọ́ bọ́n ṣe kọ èdè bọ́n ṣe kọ bíbélì gan.
was authored by King James of Britain, of England.
King James ẹni tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí tó jẹ́ òun lọ́ba
He was the
níbẹ̀
one
lọ́hùn-ún.
who gave instruction and he set up the committee of scholars
òun ló kó àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n àwọn ọ̀kọ̀wé òun ló kó wọn jọ.
that they should bring a language that will be read clearly in all British Empire.
ipe kan yí sí èdè tá a rọrùn fún àwọn tó wà lábẹ́ wọn ní gbogbo ìgbèríko wọn tó pátápátá á rọrùn láti kà fún wọn tá a lè yé wọn.
And you will discover that they did the job.
wọ́n ṣe iṣẹ́ náà.
All that is in that King James, old King James version is quiz English of that time.
èdè òyìnbó tí wọ́n ń sọ nílùú wọn lọ́hùn-ún ni wọ́n fi kọ ìbíbélì tó ní kọ́ńtà
Most
tó ń yí
of the
padà sí èdè wọn nígbà yẹn.
songwriters then
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn òǹkọrin nígbà náà lọ́hùn.
wrote their song in quiz English.
irú èdè òyìnbó tá à ń sọ yìí ni wọ́n fi kọ
Oh,
orin
you
wọn
have
nígbà
taken my
náà.
book away. The song we sang this morning,
orin tá a kọ láàárọ̀
in
yóò
secondary
èyí tẹ́ ẹ
school
bá
in
ka
those
tó bá
days,
jẹ́ pé èdè
you
òyìnbó lẹ
will
lọ kọ́
see
ní
the
ilé
poetry.
ìwé
You
gíga.
will see the poetry. Sometimes these days I was asking Pastor Samuel,
mo ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ìránṣẹ́
is
Ọlọ́run
this thing
kan
still in the secondary school
mo ní ṣé
today?
wọ́n sì ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ní ilé ìwé ní ìgírámà.
You see the rhyme, the rhyme at the end. The rhyme open it, open 39, open 30. Stanza 3. Praise to the Lord when the tempests, their warfare are waging. Who, when the elements madly around us, they are ranging. Those are the languages. When I was looking at it, you will see that not you, thee, thou, thee, thou.
ó yàtọ̀ sí
Those
àwọn èdè
are-
òyìnbó tá à ń lò léde
Thank you very
òní.
much. Britain became great
orílẹ̀-èdè tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí ó di
Whatever they
ńlá.
lay their hand upon, they prosper.
Ohunkóhun tí wọ́n bá gbé ọwọ́ wọn lé.
You know what they
wọ́n
did?
ṣàṣeyọrí.
They begin to plant the gospel everywhere.
Ohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe ni pé wọ́n ń gbin ìhìnrere sí gbogbo ibi.
They brought it to this country. They brought it to most of the places in Africa.
Àwọn ló kó wá sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀.
Even though in the Kwa Ibom, we had that was the first that came to Nigeria. Later they ran back. Methodists came to Lagos.
Àwọn ìjọ tí wọ́n dárúkọ wọ̀nyí àwọn ló kọ́kọ́ wá sí
Methodist came to Lagos. Later the Anglican followed them. I was in my village some few days ago.
Mo wà ní ìlú mi láìpẹ́ yìí.
My children who followed me, we went to Shiekiti. I told them this is an Anglican primary school. The first primary school in Ekiti, brought by Anglican. It was, I've forgotten the, but it's 18 something, I don't remember. The first primary school. So they came all around here and began to plant the gospel. And wherever they plant the gospel, it prospers. It prospers. I was saying this some few days ago in our message here. Those of you at Elisha, you know the impact of Methodists. You know what they did with Wesley. So they moved around the world wherever. In fact, it got to a point they were, when they come out of the university, they call up youths. Call up youths to move to Africa. Go and read history behind a song. Read the history behind Stand Up for Jesus.
Orin tí wọ́n kọ lẹ́nu yìí wọ́n ní ká lọ ka ìtàn tó mú jáde wá.
The man who gave the message to the youth.
Ẹni tó
use a verse in Exodus. All ye men, rise up and serve me. He took it from Exodus when Pharaoh said only men will go. So the man turned it to a message. God gave him the anointing message. Ye men, get up and go. And men began to go. He preached the sermon and he died thereafter. Somebody picked the message, turned it to a song. Young men, young women, they began in their profession. They came out. They came with their profession. They came with their profession. Those who are doctors, those who are teachers. Some of you who attended secondary school in those days will see that you were taught by white men in most of your subjects. So, the moment they were planting the gospel, their nation begin to prosper. I repeat, if you can, the British pound is the strongest currency in the whole world. Their economy is not as great as big as China. But they are purely conservative. Purely conservative. Their money is so strong. Very strong. Wherever they plant, they prosper. So, I must announce to you. God will bless you. God will bless you. Bountiful harvest will come up whatever you lay your hand upon. I'm only giving you that history so that you can learn. You know, when the message also got to America, they pick it up. They pick it up. America began to rise and they are still rising. What? When you look at their currency, in God we trust. They have a conservative party. They are still there today. They are not crossing from party to party. They have a moderate party that is asking men to be having marriage with men. They tolerate abortion, tolerate everything, you know. You know, it is easier to man prompt to evil than good.
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ó rọrùn fún ènìyàn láti gba nǹkan tí í ṣe ti ibi rere lọ.
Let a conservative president come there today.
tí àwọn ìkan olórí tó bá jẹ́ olórílẹ̀-èdè tó gbàgbọ́ nínú àwọn
like him or hate him,
láéláé.
like him or hate him, when Trump was there,
bóyá o fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ àbí o kórìíra rẹ̀ o.
he was a hardline conservative.
ọkùnrin tó kúrò níbẹ̀ kí
And
n
you
tó wà
will
níbẹ̀
see,
tó débẹ̀ ara
he
àwọn tó
was
gbàgbọ́ nínú àwọn
pro-Israel.
ìpìlẹ̀
He was
láéláé.
pro-Israel. The conservatives were pro-Israel.
àwọn tó gbàgbọ́ nínú
He
àwọn ìlànà ọmọ
doesn't
Ísírẹ́lì
want to hear anything about abortion.
kò fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan kan nípa pé obìnrin ń ṣẹ́yún.
And when they were doing that,
Nígbà tí wọ́n ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyẹn.
you know his slogan when he was coming, when he was coming for election is make America great again.
èdè tó ń lò nígbà tó fẹ́ joyè níbẹ̀ ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká tún gbé orílẹ̀-èdè
Let's
ìdílé
clear
sí
all this rubbish.
ẹ jẹ́ ká palẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí ò
Let's
ṣe
clear
déédéé
all
yìí
this
mọ́.
rubbish. There's nothing they can do. It's only the gospel that can make a nation to be great.
ṣùgbọ́n kò sí nǹkan tí wọ́n lè ṣe ìhìn rere nìkan ló
For
lè mú
you to
orílẹ̀-èdè
be
ló
great,
lè mú kí orílẹ̀-èdè
for you to be
gbilẹ̀.
great,
fún ọ
it takes the gospel to have a way in your
láti
life.
di ẹni ńlá àfi tí ìhìn rere bá ráyè.
For our nation to be great,
tí orílẹ̀-èdè
we
kó
will
tó lè
continue
di
to
ńlá.
complain and complain.
À á kàn
Without
máa
the
ṣàwáwí,
gospel,
à máa
no
ṣàwáwí
nation
ní.
can be great.
láì sí ìhìn rere kò sí orílẹ̀-èdè tó lè gòkè.
This morning,
láàárọ̀ yìí
give Christ a chance.
fi àyè gba Jésù o.
Give the gospel a chance.
fi àyè gba ìhìn rere nínú
Let,
ọkàn rẹ.
like I said 2 weeks ago,
Bí mo ṣe sọ níbi
let
ọ̀sẹ̀
God
méjì sẹ́yìn.
judge sin in your life.
jẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lẹ́jọ́ nínú ayé rẹ.
Let the blood of Jesus clear your sin.
jẹ́ kí ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù kó fọ
You are
mọ́
born
nínú
like
ayé
that,
rẹ.
you can't save yourself.
a bí wa a lè gbára wa.
You can't save yourself.
a lè gbá ara
You can't
wa
deliver yourself.
a lè gbára wa.
There are causes on the ground, and you are even incurring more causes,
Àwọn
incurring more causes
Àwọn
by not accepting Christ.
àwọn ẹ̀gún wà lórí ilẹ̀ a tún ń ṣe àfọwọ́fà ẹ̀gún gan nípa ìgbà Jésù sínú
But
ayé
if
wa.
you come to Christ,
ṣùgbọ́n tó bá lè wá sọ́dọ̀
God will clear the causes away from
gbogbo
your
àwọn
head.
ẹ̀gún wọ̀nyí ni Jésù ń palẹ̀
I was
kúrò
talking
nínú ayé wa.
I was talking to a young man, my in-law, when he's going to our daughter is going to the well. I said, look, come here,
Mò ń
because
bá
I didn't
àna mi
remember.
kan sọ̀rọ̀ láìpẹ́ yìí.
I said, you are now going to give your daughter in marriage.
mo ní o fẹ́ fi ọmọ rẹ fún ọkọ báyìí.
Please answer my question before you go.
mo ní kó o dáhùn
Did
ìbéèrè
you
yìí
pay
kó tó lọ.
the bride price of your wife who gave this child to you?
mo ní ṣé o san owó orí ẹni tó fún ìwọ gan ní ìyàwó tí ń ṣe ìyàwó rẹ lónìí.
He said he did it. You
ó
are
lóun ṣe
sure?
bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní ó dá ọ lójú ó
Then I
ní bẹ́ẹ̀.
began to recollect.
èmi náà wá rántí
I said,
àwọn
if
kan.
you don't do
mo
it,
ní tó o bá ṣe é
it's on the ground here.
mo ní ó wà nílẹ̀ o
It's on the ground.
ó wà nílẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Now you want to collect bride price.
ìwọ náà fẹ́ gba owó orí ọmọ báyìí.
If you don't pay the bride price and you are collecting bride price, you are incurring causes on the ground, and the cause will fight that child that is going to marry.
mo ní tó o bá san lórí ìyàwó tó wà lọ́dọ̀ rẹ tó bí ọmọ tíwọ náà fẹ́ gba tirẹ̀ yìí mo ní èpè ló ń mú wá sórí ọmọ yìí o sì ń jẹ́ kí èpè pọ̀ sí nínú ẹbí yẹn gan pẹ̀lú.
So, go and pay. If you don't pay, you are hearing. Go and pay.
mo ní tó o bá san lọ san o tíwọ náà bá wà níbi tó o tí ì sanwó orí ìyàwó rẹ lọ san
Like I
o.
used to say in the church,
bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ nínú ìjọ.
if you give somebody a job, he has done your job very well, and you don't pay him, the cost is on the ground.
tó o bá gbéṣẹ́ fẹ́ nìkan ó bá òṣìṣẹ́ rẹ bó ṣe tọ́ àti bó ṣe yẹ ṣùgbọ́n o wá sanwó rẹ̀ èpè wà nílẹ̀.
So I'm only giving you an example of many causes we call upon ourselves.
mo kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìmọ̀ye ẹ̀gún tàwa gan tó jẹ́ pé àwa
You
la
don't
fọwọ́
take
fà
care
á.
of your mother or your father. You say your father didn't train you and your father is now suffering. You turn the other eye to your father. There is curse upon your head.
tó o bá tọ́jú àwọn òbí rẹ ìyá rẹ àti bàbá rẹ onítorí pé wọn ràn ọ nílé ìwé wọn tọ́jú rẹ nígbà tó wà ní kékeré ìyá wa ń jẹ wọn báyìí ẹ̀gún wà lórí ilẹ̀.
If you don't come to Christ, those ones will not go.
tó o bá wá sọ́dọ̀ Jésù gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀gún yẹn á máa bá
And you begin to say it is your great grandmother that is chopping you at home.
wàá wá máa mọ̀mú lómú pé bàbá rẹ ìyá rẹ ló ń jẹ ọ́.
Witches will chop you because they will come, and when they look at your family and they look at you, okay, this is what is on the ground on this family. Let us give them something to drink out of what is on the ground. Give them a little to drink out of it.
àjẹ
That's
ọ̀nà
it.
wò nígbà tán bá wá sínú ẹbí yín tán rí àwọn ohun tó wà nílẹ̀
But
wọ́n á kọ̀ mú díẹ̀ lára rẹ̀ jẹ́ kélé
if
máa bá
Jesus
yí.
take over,
ṣùgbọ́n tó bá gba Jésù láàyè kó gbà ṣàkóso
Jesus take over,
tí Jésù bá gbà ṣàkóso
will clear the causes.
gbogbo ẹ̀gún yẹn lápalẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ pátá.
Clear your sins.
gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀ apalẹ̀ rẹ̀
And
mọ́.
when witches come and they see nothing, they see nothing. That's why when they see nothing, nothing, no more condemnation.
kò sí ìdálẹ́bi mọ́.
No more
yóò sí
condemnation.
ìdálẹ́bi mọ́.
No more
yóò sí
condemnation.
ìdálẹ́bi mọ́.
No one can accuse you again.
kò sẹ́ni tó lè fi ọ́ sùn mọ́.
Immediately they will withdraw.
kété náà padà sẹ́yìn.
Demons will withdraw.
àwọn ẹ̀mí òkùnkùn á padà.
Wishes will withdraw.
àwọn àjẹ́ á sá padà.
Forces of darkness will
àwọn
withdraw.
agbára àwọn ẹ̀gún agbára òkùnkùn á
That's where I'm
padà.
going this morning.
Ibi tí mo lọ
And
láàárọ̀
you
yìí.
will prosper.
wàá wá làlùyọ.
You will prosper.
wàá ṣàṣeyọrí.
Whatever you lay your hand upon will prosper.
ohunkóhun tó o bá gbọ́wọ́ rẹ lé
So
wàá
I'm
ṣàṣeyọrí
going to
níbẹ̀.
where there is righteousness.
níbi tí òdodo bá ti gbilẹ̀.
Where there is
níbi
righteousness,
tí òdodo bá ti gbilẹ̀.
there will be quietness
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ á wà.
and there will be assurance.
ìdánilójú á sì wà níbẹ̀.
Let me read the Bible
ẹ jẹ́ ká ka
before I
Bíbélì
begin to fire on
kí n tó máa tẹ̀síwájú.
Isaiah
ìwé
32,
Àìsáyà orí kejìlélọ́gbọ̀n.
verse 17, the Living Bible or New
Ẹsẹ̀
Living
ìkẹtàdínlógún.
Translation. 17b is where I'm going, but you can read the whole
ẹsẹ̀
thing.
ìkẹtàdínlógún.
Quietness
Quietness,
and confidence
confidence
will reign forevermore.
will reign forevermore.
pé ìdákẹ́jẹ́jẹ́
Take it in other translations. 17.
àti ìgboyà á máa jọba títí
iṣẹ́
láé.
òdodo yóò sì jẹ́ àlàáfíà
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
àti èso òdodo yóò jẹ́ ìdákẹ́jẹ́.
Tí òdodo bá ti rí bí gbé sí àbáyé
once righteousness
tó jókòó
sit
gbọ́ mi o tó
Listen.
jókòó
when righteousness
àwa máa
shine,
gbé iṣẹ́ jáde.
then he will manifest some works.
Gbogbo ìporúurú lọ́kàn rẹ̀ á
every
dákẹ́.
confusion we keep.
Gbogbo ọ̀hàn rẹ̀ tó ń hó tó ń hó tó
All
ń
those
hó
things that
tó ń
is
hó
running in your
ara
heart.
gbígbóná. Àwalẹ̀.
hotness we calm down.
Gbogbo ìbẹ̀rù
every
quietness
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ á wà.
quietness.
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ á wà.
The
Akọrin
result,
yẹn àlàáfíà
songwriter peace.
ní ayé
this word of
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
sin.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù wípé àlàáfíà.
Bí o mọ̀lá àlàáfíà
even if you don't know
bó o wà nínú
tomorrow,
ìjì tó
you
lé.
are in a very terrible storm. Peace.
Why did Peter sleep when he was in prison?
èrèdí wo ni pétérù ṣe ń sùn nínú.
Why did he sleep? Wọ́n gé Jacob lórí.
James was
Arákùnrin tán jọ ń wọlé wọ̀de.
a brother.
Wọ́n gbé òun náà sátìmọ́lé.
He was in prison.
Kí ló mú sùn lọ?
What made him to sleep?
Quietness.
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́.
Because of righteousness.
torí
has
pé
reigned.
òdodo.
Where there is righteousness.
níbikíbi tí òdodo bá ti ń gbilẹ̀.
Gbéde mi o.
please hear my language.
Ayé ohun tó ń jó dòdò nísìnyí tó bá
you will
mọ̀.
understand what righteousness
Wherever it rains.
ibi tó bá ti ń jọba.
Quietness. Quietness.
Ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́,
Quietness.
ìdákẹ́jẹ́jẹ́.
Quietness in your spirit.
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ nínú ẹ̀mí rẹ.
Ọkàn mi yóò sí mi.
ẹ̀mí mi á sí
Òun náà
mi.
ń kọ láàárọ̀ yìí.
that was the song this morning.
Ogun díẹ̀ o.
though
Pé
a very
ó
long.
wà a little bit classical. Òun ni wọ́n ṣe rọra ń dọ́gbọ́n kọ́ láàárọ̀ yẹn kó má bàa dàrú. Ọkàn rẹ̀ á sí mi báyìí.
your heart your spirit will rest.
There will be an assurance.
ìdánilójú á sì wá wà.
Full assurance.
àdánilójú tó kún.
That all is well.
pé
All
gbogbo rẹ̀
is
dára, pé
well.
gbogbo rẹ̀ dára.
Why did the woman who built a hut for Elisha,
obìnrin tó kọ́ ilé fún Èlíṣà
who was taking care of Elisha,
tó ń tọ́jú àlìkáwù sọ pé tó ń tọ́jú Èlíṣà.
giving him food, giving him
Ó fún
whatever he
lóúnjẹ,
needs,
ohunkóhun tó bá
and
nílò.
at last they built a hut for him to be
nígbà tó
living.
wá yá ó kọ́lé kékeré kan fún tó
And
lè-
Elisha said, "What shall we do for this woman?"
Èlíṣà wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ rẹ̀
The
pé kí ni
woman
bàbá ṣe
sowed.
obìnrin yìí.
The woman sowed,
obìnrin yìí gbìn.
and God now rose up, and touched Elisha. This woman has sowed seed, and this woman must reap. This woman must be blessed.
Ọlọ́run wá ń sọ fún Èlíṣà yìí pé obìnrin yìí ti gbìn ó ní láti kórè a ní láti bùkún.
O lè gbé kó o má kórè.
You cannot sow without reap.
Ọlọ́run á fọwọ́ lé ẹnìkan.
God will lay hand on somebody
Pé ọmọ yìí fúrúgbìn.
that this child is sowing.
You all know Cornelius was the best of a Gentile man.
Ọmọ Cornelius ó jẹ́ ìkan gbòógì tí Ọlọ́run fún
He had been sowing as an
ó
unbeliever,
ti ń gbìn tipẹ́tipẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí
highly
aláìgbàgbọ́.
religious, and
Ẹlẹ́sìn ènìyàn.
God touched Peter.
Ọlọ́run wá fọwọ́ tọ́ Pétérù.
I've seen the seed of Cornelius.
Mo ti rí irúgbìn tí ọmọ yìí ti ń
I want to
gbìn.
bless him.
Mo fẹ́ bùkún.
I want to bless him with salvation.
Mo fẹ́ fi ìgbàlà
I
dá
want to
lọ́lá.
change his status.
Mo fẹ́ yí
I
ipò rẹ̀
want to
padà.
make him a new creation.
Mo fẹ́ sọ́ di ẹ̀dá tuntun.
So God, Elisha,
Ọlọ́run wá gbọ́wọ́lé Èlíṣà.
the time of this woman had come.
Àkókò obìnrin yìí ti tó.
Your own time had come.
Àkókò tìrẹ náà dé.
So, I've said it. I repeat it.
Mo ti sọ, mo tó máa ń sọ.
Sow the word of God in life of people. That's the
Ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run
ultimate.
sí ayé àwọn ènìyàn.
And I've announced.
Mo ti kéde rẹ̀.
I said it during the retreat. I said
Mo
before
sọ
the
ní
retreat.
àkókò ìpàgọ́ wa. Mo sọ ṣáájú ìpàgọ́.
We are sending you out.
Pé à ń rán wa jáde.
Like they told us when we were in the secondary school.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ fún wa nígbà tá a wà nílé ìwé girama.
When we were, I've said it in your
Mo ti
presence.
sọ níwájú wa níbí rí.
The man who preached has passed on now. The
Ẹni tó
title of his
wàásù
message was
àkòrí náà níjọ́ náà.
Apostles of Faith.
Ó ti kọjá lọ báyìí àwọn àpótẹ́lì
I was an unbeliever.
ìgbàgbọ́.
But
Aláìgbàgbọ́ ni mí.
That message began to ring in my heart until I became a Christian. It was only when I became a Christian that I knew the
ó ń lu
meaning.
agogo nínú ọkàn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run títí tó ń fi wá gbàgbọ́.
He was using Hebrews 11,
Ó ń lo Hébérù orí ìkọkànlá.
Apostles of Faith.
Àwọn
You
àpótẹ́lì
know, in the secondary
ìgbàgbọ́.
school those days, they will be telling you, you are going to the world. You are our
Ní
ambassador.
ayé ìgbà náà lọ́hùn tá a bá ti ń jáde wọ́n á sọ fún yín pé ẹ̀yin ni àpótẹ́lì ìgbàgbọ́ ẹ̀yin
In
ni
fact,
aṣojú wa o.
in our HSC, it was even printed like a certificate
Wọ́n ti tẹ̀ ẹ́ sínú wọ́n tẹ̀ ẹ́ fún wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwé ẹ̀rí.
and distributed to all of us
Wọ́n pín fún gbogbo wọn.
using part of 2 Corinthians chapter 3
Wọ́n lo abala
that
Kọ́ríńtì kejì orí kẹta.
you are our epistle.
Pé ẹ̀yin ni
You are our epistle
ẹ̀písítélì wa
written in our heart.
tí a kọ tí wọ́n ti kọ sí ọkàn wa.
Go and represent us
Ẹ lọ bá ṣe ń
and
jáde
do
lọ
what
ẹ
we
máa
have
ṣe
taught
aṣojú
you.
wa.
Represent us.
Ohun tá a ti kọ́ yín ẹ̀yin náà ẹ máa fi kọ́ àwọn ènìyàn.
That was why in those days you will find out most students will return to their alma mater after they have graduated and succeeded to do something to improve the lot of their
Òun ló
alma
fi
mater.
jẹ́ pé lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà àwọn tó jáde nílé ìwé ní láyé ìjọ náà lọ́hùn wọ́n á tún padà sílé ìwé yẹn láti lọ wo àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe aláìní wọ́n á ṣe é fún wọn níbẹ̀.
What am I talking?
Kí ni mò ń gbìyànjú láti
We
sọ?
are sending you out
À ń rán wa jáde
into the world
sínú ayé.
with your profession, wherever you are.
Ipò ohun
Wherever you are.
máa ṣe ibikíbi tó o bá wà.
Sow the seed of the gospel.
Gbin irúgbìn ìhìnrere
You
níbẹ̀.
never know, you don't know when
Oh,
God will stop you from working.
Nígbà o mọ ìgbà tí Ọlọ́run á ṣí ọ lọ́wọ́ iṣẹ́.
You know that sister was saying he didn't know why he's here.
Ẹ
You
mọ̀
better
arábìnrin
go
wa
on your
yẹn sọ
knees.
lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé òun ò mọ ìdí
If
tó
you don't know it, come and see me.
ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ẹni tó ń bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti yé wọn.
If you don't know why you are still alive, come
Wọ́n gbọ́
and see
bẹ́ẹ̀
me.
yẹn.
I know it.
Ó ti yé wọn.
I know it. And I want to help you to do it.
Mo sì fẹ́ ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ láti ṣe é.
I want to, so I will disturb you. I will disturb you
Màá máa yọ ọ́
until
lẹ́nu
you do it.
títí tí wàá fi ṣe é.
You do everything while God retain you. You will
Níwọ̀n
do
ìgbà
it.
tó o bá sì wà lórí ilẹ̀
Because
níbí
I
wàá
know
ṣe
it.
ohun gbogbo tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ kó
I
o
know
ṣe.
it.
Mo mọ̀ ọ́.
He said, why did he answer? Did he answer? God cannot better answer the prayer of all of you.
Ó ní èṣe ó ń
Àbí
sọ
ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọlọ́run, ṣé Ọlọ́run ní gbàdúrà yín?
jọ lórí òun.
Àbí lòun fẹ́ lọ ń jọ sí. Ẹni kó máa lọ.
She wanted to go then.
Ọlọ́run àwa ní kó máa bọ̀.
And the church restrained her.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo ìjọ ń rùn.
And God will now shun the own church? No.
Ẹ mọ̀dí tẹ́ ẹ fi ní kó máa lọ.
You don't know why you
Ìjọ
restrained
mo ń
her.
bèrè o.
I'm asking the church.
Mo ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín báyìí ẹ̀
I'm asking the
dáhùn.
church. You are not answering.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti dáhùn máa kó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀dí tẹ́ ẹ fi ní kábí máa lọ
You don't know
níjọ́sí.
the reason
Ṣé
for you
torí
to have
tayọ̀ nìkan ni?
restrained her.
Ee o.
Is it because of her husband alone?
Ẹ ṣe ayọ̀.
Not because of the husband.
Ayọ̀ àtúrà á níyàwó mi.
The husband will consoled and he peradventure married another wife.
kì í ṣayọ̀.
It's not because of the husband alone.
ẹ mọ̀ díẹ̀
You know
ayọ̀ wà
why.
bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
Though,
torí ayọ̀ ló ń gbé
the
tí
husband
táyọ̀ bá
is
sílẹ̀
part
yẹn
of
kò lè ṣe ohun tó ń ṣe.
if not because of the husband, she can't be doing
Igi
what
lẹ́yìn
she's
ọgbà
doing.
nìyẹn.
That is the
Kọ́kọ́rọ́ tó gbèrò
the
nìyẹn.
stronghold, the key that uphold her.
tán bá ti yọ stọọdù ẹsẹ̀ mọ́tò yẹn á da fílì àkósíkòtò tẹ́ẹ̀bà ti ní bírèkì tó wà ń bẹ̀ ní ayọ̀
The brake behind her is the
òun ni ò
husband.
jẹ́ kó ti wàwà jáàmù.
That was why she has never stumbled.
What am I talking?
Kí ni mò ń gbìyànjú àti sọ?
You are here for a purpose.
O wà níbí fún èrèdí kan.
Sow a seed
Ìwọ náà gbìn kínní
and
kan.
you will reap.
Wàá sì kórè ohun tó bá gbìn.
So that woman,
Obìnrin tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ lọ.
why was he so quiet?
Kí ló dé tí ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ bá ọkàn rẹ̀
The
bẹ́ẹ̀?
child she didn't pray for.
Ọmọ tí ò
Ó ti
gbàdúrà.
gbàdúrà kò gbàdúrà
He
mọ́.
has prayed and
Ó
he
ti
has
dàbẹ́ ni
died.
pé
And he sing,
kákẹ́sẹ̀ máa jọ́sìn lọ.
he just to be worship.
Bí àbímọ àádọ́rùn.
Even if without
Bá a
child, he will
bímọ
get to heaven.
àádọ́rùn.
He have child, he will get
Bẹ́ẹ̀
there.
ló ń yọ̀.
And he was rejoicing before the Lord.
Àníyàn kúrò ní ọkàn rẹ̀.
He forget about anxiety.
Òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kọjá. Ṣé òun kẹ́ lómi a máa kára sáwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni? Inú a máa bí sọ́lọ́run.
Somebody, he will be aggressive. To
O
the
lè rí
people of God.
ohunkóhun gbà nínú ìbínú.
You cannot receive
Ẹ̀yin
anything
tẹ́ ń
in your
bínú sí
aggressive.
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
You
Tẹ́ ń
that
bínú
are-
sáwọn ènìyàn
you are
Ọlọ́run torí
angry
pé
with
ẹ̀rí
people of
kíní
God
kan gbà ó lè rí.
because you are unable
Ó
to
lè
receive
ní
something.
láéláé.
You can't get such thing
Ó dìgbà tó bá láyọ̀.
until you are joyful.
Ó ti mọ́kàn kó ń bẹ̀.
He has.
Bá a bímọ àádọ́rùn. Bá a
If
bímọ
you have
àádọ́rùn.
child, you will get to heaven.
Ká máa
Otherwise,
lórí ayé wa.
you will get there. Just
Ká máa
because of
lórí
our
ayé wa
life.
dádì.
Let's be spending our lives in the presence of God.
Ó fẹ́ para rẹ̀ ni.
Will she kill himself?
Àbẹ́
herself?
ìgbèdè tí Bíbélì lò.
Don't you hear the language of the Bible?
Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe gan-an níbi tó dé dúró yẹn?
What did she want to do?
Kíní tó gbẹ́kẹ̀lé
What she depends on
tó máa gbọ́mọ wá.
that will bring about the
Ó
child
ti gbó.
is impotent already.
Bíbélì ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
That is according to the Bible.
Ó ní ọkọ rẹ̀ ti di.
The husband is impotent.
Ọkọ ẹ ti di. Tó bá ti gbèdè yẹn ọkọ rẹ̀ darúgbó. Bíbélì ò fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ tán.
Bible will not
Lọ máa
say,
túmọ̀ rẹ̀.
oh, when you read such thing, Bible you go and give.
Wọ́n ní Sáárà ti kọjá.
He said, Sarah has passed her time.
Wọ́n lọ máa túmọ̀ ẹ̀ ní èdè òde òní.
Go on.
Bíbélì ò ní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀.
Giving the interpretation
Sáárà ti kọjá ìgbà rẹ̀.
that Sarah has passed
Ọkọ
her
rẹ̀
time.
ti di ògbóló.
And the husband is old
Wọ́n ló mọ̀
already.
túmọ̀ rẹ̀.
Then give meaning to it.
Dádì ká máa jọ́sìn ló kù.
Just for us to be
Kò sí
worshiping
wàhálà
God. No problem.
àádọ́rùn. Lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tọ́jú. Ẹlòmíà máa bínú.
Some people
Ó
will
pé
be
akóró
aggressive.
rógórógórógóró.
We look so bitter.
Inú obìnrin yìí máa ń dùn o.
The woman was rejoicing.
Ṣé inú dídùn sí i?
Be joyful unto the Lord.
A ó sì mú kéde.
And your will
Bọ́mọbìnrin ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lórí ayé ẹ̀. A ti wo oúnjẹ àárọ̀ dé ìjà.
prepare the
Tó bá dọ̀sán, àwọn
breakfast
oúnjẹ
for the
dé.
man, the dinner,
Ẹ̀láṣàṣà ń kọjá.
and Elisha
Daddy.
passed through the place daily.
Elẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣé ìjì wà lápò wa o?
And the wife
Yàrá kan péré ni máa ń ní
challenge
ìdò. Yàrá
her
kan.
husband one
Ènìlé.
day. This is
Orí-
a land.
Wọ́n
We
fẹsẹ̀
need
ikú
just
títì káàkiri
a room
látàárọ̀.
for this.
Alọ̀
For
àbọ̀
this,
alọ̀
man.
àbọ̀ ènìlé.
This man doesn't have a place
Àbá
for
ti ṣe
rest.
yàrá kan.
Let's build just a room.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé bẹ́ẹ̀dì sí.
And we put a mattress
Ká gbé
there.
tébù tá a fi máa
And a
kàwé.
table for him to read.
So tó bá lọ tó bá bọ̀.
After returning
Á
from
sùn.
his journey, he
Á
will
ráyè
relax
kàwé.
there. He will
Á
have
ríbi
time to
gbàdúrà.
preach, to read.
Èmi
and
náà
pray.
màá fún lóúnjẹ àárọ̀.
Then I will give him
Tó bá dé
breakfast.
talẹ́ màá gbé síbẹ̀
The
dé.
night I supply the food.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kárí à. Kí ló wà lọ́kàn rẹ?
What is in your mind?
Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe fúnṣẹ́ Olúwa?
What do you want to do?
Kí ló
for the
fẹ́
work
ṣe
of
láti
God?
múṣẹ́ Olúwa
What
ṣe
is it that you
tẹ̀síwájú?
can do
You
to
better
make
go
the
and
work
do
of
it.
God, to
You
promote,
better go and do
promote
it.
the work
You
of
better
God?
go and do it.
O jẹ́ ṣe.
You better rise and do it.
O jẹ́ dìde kó
You
lọ
are sowing
ṣe.
a seed you are going to reap.
O ń gbin kinní kan tí wàá ká lọ́jọ́ iwájú.
Fún mi bàbá tó bá ti fún mi mo ń dúró díẹ̀ o.
If you don't give me now,
Ọdún yìí
I'm
gan
waiting.
lópin ẹ o.
I'm
Ọdún yìí
giving
lópin ẹ.
you
Ọdún
the limitation of the limit
wo
for this year.
wo ó pẹ́ tí mo ti sọ pé mo máa sín wo.
I've been saying I will.
Mo máa sín lọ́dún yìí tó bá ti dáhùn o.
I
Ó jẹ́
will
tètè
become
ya
another
wèrè
thing
rẹ.
if you don't give me what I
Ṣebí
need.
wèrè ni ọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tètè lọ sín
Better,
rẹ.
you better go into your insanity.
Ọ̀ aṣẹ́jú wèrè ni. àṣejù pé kò mọ́ lọ sí kò mọ́ ká bẹ́ẹ̀lì mọ́ kí inú máa bí
The
ọjà.
worst you can do is for you not to read the Bible and not to pray again.
ọjà oyin gbó.
God will not even recognize you.
àwọn tó ń fẹ́ Ọlọ́run wọ́n pọ̀ wọ́n pọ̀.
Who want God, there are so many.
àwọn kan wà lórí òkè láti
There
jẹ́lẹ́rìí
are
wọn ti
some
sọ̀kalẹ̀.
people on the
lòmí o
mountain.
lòmí
They
gbogbo.
are since the
wọn ò tí ì
beginning of
sọ̀kalẹ̀
this
wọn ti
year.
gbóhùn.
They are praying.
Wọ́n
And
ti
God
gbóhùn.
should use them. They are yet to receive the voice from
wọ́n fi
God.
bàbá mi ń ṣakọ.
And you are now playing with God.
pé máa yá wèrè lọ́dún yìí o
That
jẹ́jẹ́
I will just
ọjẹ́
become
tètè
another
yẹ kó
thing
fún
if
ọmọdé
you
kó
don't
má
give
sí
me.
ń wá já wẹ̀wẹ̀ tó bá farabalẹ̀.
You'll be insane if you don't humble yourself.
ọmọbìnrin ṣáà ń
And
máa
this
ṣe o
woman continue doing what God has sent her.
ní Ọlọ́run wá bá
And God
Elisha
met
olùmọ̀
Elisha.
yẹn
Don't you see this woman?
mo fẹ́ kó kórè
I want her to read.
mo fẹ́ kó kórè
I want her to read.
mo fẹ́ kó kórè
I want her to read.
ọmọ ni ọmọ ni
He's a child.
mo fẹ́ tọ́jú ẹ̀.
She's a child. I want to take care of her.
ó dẹ̀ ti wà lọ́kàn bàbá
And he said, the man
màá
of
yẹ̀
God.
wò mo máa jẹ́ màá tún yẹ̀ wò màá tó yẹ̀ wò. láìjẹ́ wọ́n ní wà ọmọ máa wí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti wí bẹ́ẹ̀
And
kò
the
sí
man
tó
of
fẹ́
God
ṣe lé
said,
lórí.
we have a child. And he said, don't say that. Don't go to that area anymore.
ọmọ mi kan ló lóun afẹjọ́ mi sùn yà ó lóun aṣọ fún ìyàwó òun láàárọ̀ yìí.
Somebody
àwàdà ni
said,
wọ́n dá o ó ní
Though
kẹ́nìkan
they are
ó ní kó
cracking
tètè
joke, he said
ó ní kó múra kó bí àlàbà.
I was telling her to give back to
pé kí ìyàwó ẹ̀ yẹn náà bó ṣe wà
another
ní kó bá mú bèjì jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
I said, if
mo ní
his
gbogbo ohun
wife
tó ń ṣe
will
lára
bring
tó ń ṣe
forth
jẹ̀gẹ̀jẹ̀gẹ̀ yẹn ló máa gbọ̀dá ó lóun
our
adélé
twins
jíṣẹ́.
now.
Mo ní-
And he said, he will report.
mọ̀mọ́ sọ pé mi ló wí bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
And I
sọ
said,
bó ṣe
don't
lẹ́yìn
tell
dáwàdà
your husband that I
ayàrá
said
bá mi
that.
jà o torí ayàrá á sọ pé èmi ni mò ń wí bẹ́ẹ̀ á ní mo ti wí bẹ́ẹ̀ àníṣe ló ń lẹ̀ ẹ́ mọ́ ọ̀yàn.
Because your wife said, I do prophecy and it come to pass.
Elisha wí ó dẹ̀ lẹ̀
And
mọ́
Elisha prophesied and it come to
obìnrin náà
pass.
sì lóyún
àbí
ó sì bí ọmọkùnrin kan dé àkókò náà tí Èlísà ti sọ fún un
Ṣé o ti gbọ́?
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìgbà ayé.
bó ni mò ń lọ
Where am I going?
ẹ̀kọ́ mi ni mò ń lọ mo fẹ́ kó yé ọ ni.
I'm trying to establish my teaching.
Ọlọ́run ti ní wà nù ọkàn bàbá pé wọ́n á yẹ̀ wò
God want to examine.
ọ̀sán ọjọ́ ọmọ yẹn bá bàbá ẹ̀ lọ sóko
One afternoon, this boy follow his father
lọ́mọ sọ pé orí ń wo
to the farm,
orí ń wo
and he was
orí ń wo
shouting, my head,
tó wà
my
lọ bá
head.
ń yà ẹ̀ báyìí
Go and meet your mother.
mo bá mọ́mú yẹn
Go and meet your mama
bó
too.
ṣe ṣe aráyè tọ́jú ẹ̀ dáadáa
He will be able to take care of you.
ok màá bọ̀ mò ń bọ̀ wàá jọ yín
I'm coming.
ẹ̀ hàn pé ohun tó ṣe yàn èmi náà á ṣe àbó ní ṣe
If it happens to
Eyo.
you, you will do it as a
bàbá
man.
mọ̀mọ́
Go and meet the woman.
agbomi tútù lé ọ lórí
He will
á
take care
ṣàdúrà
of
fún ẹ
you.
ó mọ̀ bó ṣe máa
Pray for
tọ́jú ẹ̀
you.
màá mú bọ̀ nísìn.
I'm coming.
ké bàbá tó bọ̀ nísìn
Before the return of the
ọmọ
father,
ti múná lọ
the child has died.
mú lọ́mọ ṣe. ọmọ ní ẹ máa wo quietness
Ìdákẹ́rọ́.
ìdánilójú
Confidence.
ìdánilójú
Confidence.
láì sáriwo nínú ọkàn ni mo fẹ́ mú jáde.
Confidence with quietness.
ọmọbìnrin
What I'm
ní
trying to
ó
bring
wá
up
rán
here.
ìránṣẹ́ ẹ sọ fún bàbá
And this woman sent a
kó bá
message
mi
to
wá
the father.
kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ kan wá.
Look for an ass for me with a chariot.
òun sì gòkè ó sì tẹ́ sórí ibùsùn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run náà
Ó ti tẹ́ sí
tilẹ̀kùn
yàrá,
mọ́, ó sì
ó tilẹ̀kùn
jáde lọ.
He
mọ́.
took the baby
ẹ bá ń wá
to the
kẹ̀kẹ́ tá máa
mattress
gbé
of
mi
the
lọ
man of
bá
God.
man of God wa. ọkọ ẹ ní kí ni kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ ó ní all is
And the
well
husband asked,
all is well
what do you want to use it for?
it
He
is
said,
well
ó ní gbogbo rẹ̀
it
ní
is
àlàáfíà ni.
well with my soul. wà jáde mo fẹ́ lù èdè bẹ́ẹ̀
òun sì wí pé èsè tí ìwọ fi tọ̀ ọ́ lọ lónìí.
wà ó nìyẹn jáde wà jáde kíákíá.
Like a river.
kí ló ń wá oṣù tuntun òde kí ló ń wá man
This
of
is
God.
not a
This is
new
ọjọ́
man.
ìsinmi.
Why are you looking
Òun
for
náà
the
dáhùn.
man of
òun
God?
sì wí pé àlàáfíà
It's
ni.
well.
Well, it is well.
It's well.
Bí àlàáfíà ni.
it's well
Àlàáfíà ni.
it's well. kí ló mú sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Why is this
kí ló
woman
mọ̀kàn
saying
rẹ̀
this?
sí mi tí
Lord,
ọmọ kú
bring
lọ́wọ́
about
rẹ̀
quietness in
ọ̀kan
his heart.
ṣoṣo iná kan ṣoṣo iná kan ṣoṣo
Only shy.
tó bí lógbólógbó.
And he had the issue in our old age.
mọ̀mọ̀ dá mi lóhùn o
Don't
mo bá
mind
ti
me.
sọ pé ìgbẹ́ líle mọ̀mọ̀ dá mi lóhùn o
When
mo
I'm saying it's a
encourage
heartbeat.
wọn ṣùgbọ́n practical kò ṣe ìgbẹ́ líle o.
When I'm saying it's a hardest creature, it's not.
bet
Though practically,
ẹ̀mí
it's
tí
not
máa ń
like that.
bọ́dí ló
But
fi máa ń
Holy
dègbẹ́
Spirit do
líle.
step in to
Orúkọ
make it
easy ni.
simple.
orúkọ easy.
Do you think it's easy to travel?
mo yà bàrà
A digression.
Mi ò lè má sọ̀rọ̀ ara mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
I cannot but
Ẹ má
talk
bínú.
about myself once
Ibi
in
tó
a
máa ń
while.
dẹ́rù bà mí
Where I do afraid.
lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì. Ìyàwó mi á rí gànà kú bí èsì.
My wife,
Nígbà tó bá ti pọ́ǹpù
very
rẹ̀ tó
big.
yó.
during
Mama, wo
pregnancy,
bẹ́ẹ̀.
I'll be looking at her. At times I feel afraid.
Bó ṣe kó jà mí láàbà kan máa wo pé Ọlọ́run
I will just be looking at her that God,
wo nǹkan ńlá wo bó ṣe rí dẹ̀ẹ̀dẹ̀ bí. Tán bá rí ibi tí tó bá ṣe pé Ọlọ́run fàṣẹ sí
if not for the commandment of
tó
God,
lè mú àyà èèyàn mi.
That
Mo máa ń
will
wo
make you
bẹ́ẹ̀
to
bí
be
mo bá ti
afraid.
tó mi ga yẹn tó ga bẹ́ẹ̀.
when the
Lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì.
pregnancy is developing,
Mo
little
máa ń sọ
by
fẹ́yìn
little,
obìnrin pé àwa ló lóyún ẹ̀ ìgbà.
I do tell you women that
Lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́
the
ọkùnrin.
husband that is
Kí ló ṣe
pregnant,
ń ṣe yín gan nígbà tá a bá lóyún
how do
yẹn?
you
Wàá rí i pé
feel when
adìyẹ bà ló kùn.
you will know it's not an easy task for the man.
Mo tún wí mo ní adìyẹ ṣe
I
kéne.
repeat, it's
Ó
not
di
an
jọ́
easy
báyìí
task for
báríkà
the-
àwa
for the
gan ni
man.
wọ́n yọ̀ fún àwa ní báríkà.
It is the day you are being celebrated. Even you are
Kí ni
celebrating
mo
the
pè é?
husband.
Àwa ní báríkà. Ah!
Celebrating the husband.
Ogun gbóná gírígírí ìrànwọ́ wa.
balógun wa
Ogun wa.
ọwọ́ tètè
Ọwọ́ tètè.
ẹgbẹ́ tíjú kan
Tíjú ká.
bòbí wọ́n rí èmi gbàrẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹni yẹ sí rí ọ̀dọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé ara yóò dìbò.
So ọmọ tán bí pẹ̀lú ẹni tó wá tó darúgbó pẹ̀lú tiẹ̀.
Someone that is old with
Ó mọ̀ bó
his
ṣe
with
nira.
her own, you know how tough it will be.
Jẹ́ ká ra mú yẹn tì.
That one
Ọmọ
apart.
wa fò sàn dẹ̀.
And for the child to die.
Ọkọ wa kò sọ pé ọkọ orí òun ti burú o
She did
iná
not
máa jóun o.
Go to her husband to weep.
Kí ló ṣe ọ́ ìwọ ọmọbìnrin
What
tó
happened
wá
to
máa
you,
nà
woman?
gbọ́dù
You are
lọ.
looking for a man of
Àkókò
God.
oṣù tuntun ò tí ì dé
This
tá a
is
máa
not a new
ṣàjọ̀dún náà.
month.
It's well.
Ó ní
It
àlàáfíà
is
ni.
well.
Àlàáfíà
It
ni.
is well with
Àlàáfíà
my
ni fún ọkàn
soul.
mi.
Mo ti ní kẹ́ wá jáde òun bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
I'm still coming back to read.
Máa ò ní ọmọ ẹ̀ fún èdè wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ èdè kan wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo fẹ́ lò.
There's a
Wá
particular
wá jáde tí ò
language
bá
I
wà
want
nínú
to
ìwé
use
ìròyìn.
here.
Kí ló mú sọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
What made this woman to say
Because
that?
there is righteousness.
Torí pé òdodo wà.
There is assurance.
Ìdánilójú.
Quietness of her spirit.
Ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ wà nínú ọkàn rẹ̀.
Quietness in the midst of trouble.
Ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ láàrin ìṣòro.
Kí ló
láàrin
dé tí
wàhálà.
omi kàn?
Why is he not shaking?
Ọmọ màá ló kù.
We are talking of a child.
Kí ni mo gbé?
A child.
Ẹ máa ṣe pé ó mú jí ó máa kú.
Not that he fainted.
Wọ́n máa gbé àmùrè pásítọ̀ débẹ̀ àmùrè ò máa ṣiṣẹ́.
Even the rod of the man of God can wake the child.
Àmùrè ò máa ṣiṣẹ́. Elisha máa gba pẹlẹbẹ àdúrà.
Elisha had to pray.
Ó máa gba bàbá àdúrà.
He has
Kó
to
tó sọ
pray
jí kì í máa kàn ṣe pé ó dédé sa jí.
before the resuscitation of the child.
Ó máa kú ni.
He died.
Kí ló mọ́kàn rẹ̀ bá?
What
Ẹ mọ̀
make
sunkún.
him make her calm
It's
down?
well, that is well.
Ó ní àlàáfíà ni.
Wọ́n tún gbé kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ lọ. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tún wò ó. Kí lóbìnrin wá mi?
The man of God saw her afar away.
Ó máa dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
What could be happening?
Ẹ̀yin ló lọ́mọ máa wá.
You
Ọmọ ti
said
wá.
the child will come and
Ó wà ń lé.
eventually
Elisha ti rò pé ọmọdé ni.
the child is at home.
Elisha
Elijah
ní-
thought it's a child play.
Mú àmúre mi.
Took my
Wọ́n
garden.
Gẹ̀ásì lọ gbélé.
Go and lay it upon him.
Mi ò ní lọ.
And the woman holds on to the feet of the man of God. I will
Ibi
not
ni
leave
mo
you.
máa wà.
I will be
Ó
here with
dìbò
you.
bá dìde. Ó sọ bàbá
Until
bàbá
you
mi ò
follow
lọ
me.
bí kíbi.
I'm going over
Orúkọ ọmọbìnrin yẹn níbẹ̀ orúkọ ẹ̀ ní Takutu Ọlọ́run.
there. He stay with the man of God.
Ìránṣẹ́ ti mọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ má mọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
And the The servant want to remove
jẹ́
the
kó
hand of
dì mí mú kó
of the
gbò mí.
woman. Leave
Ọlọ́run fi pamọ́ fún mi.
God, he
Gbogbo
deceived me.
nǹkan kan ló lè lójú àlá.
You can't see everything.
Gbogbo
in the
nǹkan kan
dream.
lọ́lọ́run lè bá ọ sọ.
God cannot manifest everything unto you or speak everything to you.
Gbàtà kọ́kọ́ máa ń kọ́kọ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ṣé kò sí. It's well.
The man of
Daddy,
God
it's well.
inquire from her.
Ṣé kò
Yes,
sí
sir.
o?
What
It's
happened?
well.
He said, no problem.
Ẹ jọ ṣé kò wẹ́ẹ̀lì lóòótọ́?
Is he not well indeed?
Ṣé o ti rí? Ṣé o ti rí orin It's well?
Have you seen the song?
Dúró. Bóyá dúró. Èdè kan wà ń bẹ̀. Bóyá kúrọ̀sì ló wà. Bóyá ìjọba Tanzania ló wà. Tó lágbára gan. Jẹ́ dúró sí. Kọ́mọ jẹ́ kí wọ́n kó òyìnbó ẹ̀ kó wá sọ Yorùbá ẹ̀. Crisis lockdown. I watched the documentary of this song. This man left and said his wife should meet him. The man who wrote that song. And the wife,
that was in the time they used
ọkọ̀ upside. No one sent the telegram.
But along the line,
safe alone.
The woman was coming with the children, but they have a capsized ship and the 4 children. The only woman was safe. He now sent the telegram to the husband that safe alone. And that was what brought about this song. With quite that everything may finish. That there is quietness and assurance. God is on the throne. God is not dead. His only child that died. God is alive. His only child that died. God is on the throne. The kingdom of heaven is still in my hand.
Quietness.
Eventually they have other issues.
It is
the children that they have that documentary
men, women for Christ. One race one for the ministry.
For you to pass through.
any
káwọn ọmọ ẹ má lè wá ṣètò Olúwa.
and for your children not to be
mo máa ń
for
sọ
God.
fáwọn ọmọ mi.
I do tell
mo
my
ń sọ fún
children.
wọn gbọ́ báyìí.
I told them and they are listening now.
mo ní mi ò rán wọn wá lé ayé fún mi.
I said, I've not brought
Mi
you
ò
to
ní
this
kán lọ
world to be
kówó wá,
pursuing
kò sí
the
kẹ́kẹ́ mo fẹ́
world.
fowó
I've
yín
not
ṣe.
sent you to be looking for
ẹ
money
tọ́jú
from
mi o.
You will take care of me.
tẹ́ ẹ bá ti lo ayé yín fún rere ẹ wáyé.
You don't use
ẹ
it
wáyé.
You are used
You all know the manner of my life. You knew how I grew up. You knew all that I passed through in my life. Tí ẹ bá ti wá lo ayé yín fún ìrere, mi ò láyé méjì, mi ò ní méjì. Kọ́kàn ẹ̀ sí mi.
For you to have a quietness.
What brings quietness?
Kí ló mú ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ wá?
Righteousness.
Òdodo ni.
Kí ni mo pè?
Òdodo.
Kí ló dé ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀?
And what is the meaning of righteousness?
Torí a dá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa lẹ́jọ́ pẹ̀lú ikú oró. A gbé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa lé Jésù lórí.
Our sin was put upon
Ó wá fìgbàgbọ́ dì mọ́ Jésù olùgbàlà.
to Jesus with faith.
Ó wá rú gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ lọ́kàn rẹ balẹ̀ pé
He took all away.
Ọlọ́run ò dá mi lẹ́jọ́ mọ́.
Now you are sure
Pé Ọlọ́run ò rí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lórí orúkọ mi mọ́.
God had no sin upon my
Torí ó fìgbàgbọ́ gba Jésù gbọ́ yẹn.
believe.
Torí a ti kọ̀wé rẹ̀ pé ọjọ́ kan ń bọ̀ tí Olúwa yóò máa jẹ́ orúkọ rẹ̀, Olúwa máa pè ní Olúwa òdodo wa.
God, our righteousness.
A máa pè ní Olúwa lápẹ́ o.
God, our righteousness.
So láàárọ̀ yìí.
This morning.
Whatever you are passing through, whatever your portion, whatever your trials and difficulties in life, you have only one thing to get from God: righteousness. Let your sins be cleared. Let your record be neat. O lè wẹ orúkọ rẹ mọ́, o lè wẹ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ nù. Tó bá pe Jésù wọlé láàárọ̀.
Except you call upon Christ.
Á wẹ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ nù.
Then the sin will be cleared off.
Wọ̀ mí láṣọ òdodo.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ ìyàwó ti ṣe ara rẹ̀ lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́ àti ìyàwó ti ṣe ara rẹ̀ lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́. Ọkọ mi yóò yọ gidigidi nínú Ọlọ́run mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Jésù tó mọ́lẹ̀ sókòkò mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Jésù tó mọ́lẹ̀ sókòkò mi. Òótọ́ fìtílà mi. Lásà òdodo, ó wọ̀ mí lágbádá ìgbàlà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ ìyàwó ti ṣe ara rẹ̀ lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́ àti ìyàwó ti ṣe ara rẹ̀ lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́. Ọkọ mi yóò rọ gidigidi nínú Ọlọ́run mi.
Ṣé ẹ rí pé a mú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kúrò, ayọ̀ tó wọnú ọkàn Jésù nígbà tá a ṣe ìdájọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́run àpáàdì nìyí.
That is the great joy that enter into the heart of
Kíní
Christ.
kan lá wọnú ọkàn rẹ.
God in hell.
Ọkàn rẹ á balẹ̀.
Something will enter into your
Pé
heart.
Jésù
that
kò
is
sí ẹni tó lè
calmness.
jẹ́wọ́ Jésù kọ̀rọ̀ wọlé kó gba Jésù. Kọ́kàn rẹ̀ máa
No
balẹ̀.
one can confess Jesus when the
Róòmù
world
orí
is for you
kẹrìnlá.
not to have calmness.
Róòmù orí kẹrìnlá ẹsẹ̀
Romans 14
kẹtàdínlógún.
verse 17.
Róòmù orí kẹrìnlá
Romans
ẹsẹ̀
14
kẹtàdínlógún.
17.
To be sure,
Ìjọba Ọlọ́run kì í ṣe jíjẹ, kì í ṣe mímu.
Not eating and drinking.
Ìjọba Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ ṣe gàrí àtẹ̀bà,
It's
nítorí
not
ìjọba
ẹ̀ ṣe
Ọlọ́run
ráìsì, ẹ̀ ṣe jíjẹ, ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ aṣọ wíwọ̀, ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ pé mo kọ́lé mo ra lẹ̀.
not a matter of
Tá a fi ń mọ̀ pé ìjọba Ọlọ́run dé ní lálejò. Ayọ̀.
evidence that
Kí la
the
fi
kingdom
mọ̀?
of God has entered into your heart is
Kí la fi mọ̀?
ayọ̀
Kí la fi mọ̀?
ayọ̀
Kí la fi mọ̀ ìjọ?
to identify
Kí la fi mọ̀ pé ìjọba Ọlọ́run dé èèyàn lálejò? Ayọ̀.
nínú ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
Ó kù kan.
nítorí ìjọba ọlọ́run kì í ṣe jíjẹ àti mímu
Ó máa ń
bí kò
sáré.
ṣe òdodo àti àlàáfíà àti ayọ̀ nínú ẹ̀mí
nǹkan
mímọ́.
mẹ́ta ló wà ńbẹ̀ òdodo
Righteousness,
àlàáfíà
peace,
ayọ̀
and joy.
tí a bá ti wọ agbádá yẹn sí ọlọ́run pé
Once that
mi ò rí
God
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
in you,
níbẹ̀
that I
mi
see
ò rí
no
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
in you, I see
níbẹ̀
no iniquity in
tí ò rí
you.
ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀ pé
You-
ọlọ́run ò bá mi jà
You have the assurance
Kí ni
that
mo
God
pè?
is not fighting you.
ọlọ́run ò bá mi jà.
eo
Ọlọ́run ò bá mi
pé
jà.
ọlọ́run ò bínú sí mi lábẹ́ òun
God is not angry with
pé mo rí
me.
orí ọ̀fẹ́ gbà
That I receive
mo rí
grace.
àánú gbà
I receive mercy.
mo rí àánú gbà
I
Mo rí
receive
àánú
mercy.
gbà.
mo yẹ fún ikú mo rí àánú
I'm
gbà
worthy of
Mo
death,
yẹ fún
but I
ikú,
receive
mo rí-
mercy.
ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀
Then you will have assurance.
kíní kan wá máa jáde nínú ọkàn rẹ̀.
Something will be manifesting in you.
Ya 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 ya.
Ọ̀run mi ti dàbí ọ̀run, àríbánú jẹ́ àtàrò, ayọ̀ nílà tí mọ Jésù. Hallelujah, ayọ̀ ló jẹ́ pé mo ti rí dáríjì gbà ibikíbi tí mo bá wá kó séwu Jésù wà níbẹ̀.
kò sí bó ń gbé àárín àwọn ìgárá láyé
Well, among the wicked people,
wàá máa láyọ̀ nínú.
you will have joy.
ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀ there will be peace like a river.
Àlàáfíà bí odò ṣíṣàn á wà nínú
jẹ́ kí
ọkàn
ìyá
rẹ.
èdè pásítọ̀ mi lò ní ṣe
Let me
tó
borrow the
ń
language
bóyá náà
of
àdúrà ló ti ń
Pastor
ṣẹ̀kọ̀ fún
Pastor.
pásítọ̀ mi Òṣogbo. ó lóun kàn rí pé òun fẹ́ràn gbogbo ènìyàn
He
ó
just
ní
discovered
bẹ́nikẹ́ni jà
he was loving other all people, all
gbogbo àwọn tó
everybody.
ṣẹ̀ ọ́ láyé rí
All those who have
Ọkàn rẹ̀
ever
á yọ̀ sí
offended
wọn.
you, your love withdrawn unto them.
bó rí gara bíi pé kó ti gba Jésù yìí
Wicked
tiẹ̀.
people, you see them as if they should.
àwọn
have-
tó ṣèkà sí ọ
Those
bíi
who
pé
are
káyé
wicked
wọn
you.
dáa kó máa dáa fún
as
ọkàn
if
rẹ̀ á
it should be
balẹ̀.
well with them.
Peace.
Àlàáfíà.
kí ni mo pè é torí o tọ́ sí ikú
Body of death,
àfìgbàlà dá ọ lọ́nà.
salvation instead.
ṣé ẹ rí ìfọkànbalẹ̀ yẹn
That assurance.
tó ń gbọ́
Listen to me.
ìfọkànbalẹ̀ yẹn
That assurance.
torí òdodo ti wọlé
Because righteousness is already
òkùnkùn ti
there.
lọ
Darkness
kí mo ló lọ
disappears.
ìyẹn ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
Òkùnkùn ti lọ.
Eo
Darkness
Òkùnkùn
has
ti
àti
lọ.
bọ́jà àkẹ́sà kúrò lọ́rùn rẹ you are no longer naked.
Rag is
ọfà
no
kọ́fà
more
kan ò lè wọlé sí ọ lára láyé.
Arrow can penetrate into your body.
ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀.
Amen.
mo
You have
di
that
tolúwa
assurance. And
olúwa
because
di
of the Lord,
tèmi.
God become mine.
kò sí ìgboyà kan
Confidence.
wà ìgboyà
There is confidence.
ìgboyà kan wà
Confidence.
ìgboyà kan máa ń dé
There is
báyìí
confidence
Ìgboyà.
in you.
ìgboyà
Confidence.
ìgboyà yẹn ni irú wa ẹ fi lè lọlé nígbà tá a gba
That
Jésù
is why we can go
tí a
home
fi
when
fẹ́
we
wó
are Christ.
a fẹ́ wó òrìṣà
We
a
want
fẹ́
to
wó
destroy
ọfẹ́
their shrine.
tó bá jẹ́ Ọlọ́run mọ̀ díẹ̀ ṣá
God
Ọlọ́run mọ̀
knows.
díẹ̀
God knows why.
tí ò jẹ́ kán mú mi wòde ní kékeré
That prevented them from taking me into the shrine.
èmi tí ẹ̀
while
sọ
I
pé
was
gbòòrò
very
ni a ti
young.
wó Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ mọ̀ díẹ̀ torí àwọn tó wòde lẹ́yìn wa tán fi
Those-
bínú ti torí ti wá
those
tán kún wọn mòrò mo ń sọ
Who
fún àwọn ọmọ mi
took their
wọ́n
children
lọ
into
sí
the
gáréèjì
shrine.
Ìdó
I
wọ́n
went
ṣe
to
open air
Ìdó
wọ́n kọ́lọ́pàá wá
They were doing
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n á
open
ṣe
crusade
tíátà
here.
lórí stage
They came there
ni wọ́n á
to
demonstrate wọ́n ṣe ń gbòòrò
how
ni wọ́n á
they
demonstrate
usually
bí wọ́n ṣe ń
perform
mú
their
nìyàn ń wọ
thing
ẹgbẹ́
in
òrò
shrine, how they brought them into the
kò sí ẹyọ ẹnìkan tó lè yọjú
no one can come out.
ẹnìkan ò lè dá wọn mú
No one can disturb them.
lórí pulpit níta gbangba
On pulpit,
ọwọ́ iná yí wọn kábàáyé
the,
ni wọ́n demonstrate
the
ẹ̀
flame of
Bẹ́ẹ̀
fire
náà ṣe fídíò ẹ̀.
surround them. They
na mẹ́ta
demonstrated the
káàkiri
thing and
mẹ́ta káàkiri
they did the video and they were selling it.
àwo
Then the secret of
inú bẹ̀rẹ̀ síbí bọ̀dá mi kan ó ti dolóògbé báyìí
one of my brother
ọdún
now
ẹ̀ mo gbé
lives.
1963 Dr. Dabi Imperi ó fẹ́ jọba ó yẹsẹ̀ fẹ́ kàn di wọn báyìí tán bá máa jẹ́ wọ́n jẹ́
He wanted to
di wọn ló kàn
dethrone
báyìí
as
lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́
king.
tán bá máa
It's
jẹ́
now
kàn
their turn if they will allow them to be.
torí ó fẹ́ jọba
He wanted to be king.
ó wà lọ gbòòrò
They took him to
ẹnu
the
ẹ̀ mo ti
shrine.
gbọ́
I heard from him.
ó ní àwọn ọmọ yẹn gẹ̀ẹ́tì ẹ̀
He said those children that demonstrated the thing, they got it
onígbà tó ti
right.
fẹ́ jọba tán jẹ́ kóhun ti jọba lòun ti kó oníyẹ̀yẹ́ ni ó láwọn ọmọ yẹn gẹ̀ẹ́tì.
Since they want to
gbogbo
rule
àwọn
as a
olóró
king,
yẹn
they never
wọ́n
allowed
gbé
it.
jẹnẹrétọ̀ lọ sí gbòòrò
They took generator to their
mo ní wọ́n ṣe. wọ́n wá lọ gbé fídíò kalẹ̀ wọ́n lọ play ẹ̀ bóyá yẹ̀yẹ́ ni
They took the video,
Wọ́n jókòó
they
tì,
want
wọ́n
to
wò ó.
play, they watch it,
wọ́n gẹ̀ẹ́tì ẹ̀.
and they confirm it that those children they got
àwo
it.
ya
Then there is no secret anymore.
ìgboyà ìgboyà
Confidence.
ìgboyà
Confidence.
ìgboyà
Confidence.
ìgboyà
Confidence.
olódodo láyà bíi
Righteous is as bold as lion.
bíbélì yí ọbẹ̀ ni
Do you understand now?
ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ń sá nígbà tí
A kò lè.
Why no?
ọtí dé o ọ̀ní náà máa pa mí jẹ o ọtí kó lè mi tán máa wó mi jẹ o ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ń sá tí a ti gbà ọ́ là tó ti rí gbàlà
Have you been saved?
tó rí gbàlà
Have you been saved?
àbíjà kìsà tó wà lọ́rùn rẹ̀
Or is rag still upon you?
tí a ti wọ wáìtì ọ̀run sí ọlọ́run
Is heaven
ọkẹrẹ gbọ́dọ̀
upon
balẹ̀
you? You
kò
must
só ìjà
you
kan
have a calmness of heart.
tí a ṣe sí
No
yín
weapon fashioned
tí
against
yóò
you
lè ṣe nǹkan
we able to harm you.
abẹ́ ẹ̀ka bíbélì débẹ̀
Don't you read your Bible to
gbogbo
that
à ń
level?
bá lọ kẹjọ tì yín a ó dá wọn lẹ́bi torí ìdí kan
That is against you
ìdí kan
because
ṣoṣo ni
or a particular reason.
òdodo wọn ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ti wá
Righteousness emanate from God.
èmi ni mo fún wọn lágbádá òdodo èmi ni mo dì wọ́n lápùrẹ̀ òdodo when Paul was talking in 2 Corinthians chapter 6 when he was addressing the Corinthian church and he was telling them ó ní àwa tí we have got this ministry àti gba iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ yìí àárẹ̀ òmùwà ojú òtí wá ìgbà tó wá ń sọ ó ní bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọn ò mọ̀ wá ibi tí mo fẹ́ lọ ẹ̀keje ni ó ní the armour of righteousness on the left and on the right. ẹsẹ̀
nípa ọ̀rọ̀
kejì
òtítọ́ nípa agbára ọlọ́run nípa ìhámọ́ra òdodo ní
ìhámọ́ra
apá
òdodo
ọ̀tún àti ní apá òsì.
ìhámọ́ra òdodo ní ọwọ́ ọ̀tún àti ní ọwọ́ òsì
The hammer of
Ọlọ́run ló gbé wọ̀ wá
The right hand
ìhámọ́ra kí ni mo pè é.
The hammer
Hammer
of
òdodo.
righteousness. It's God that put it upon us.
ìgbà tí Job máa sọ̀rọ̀ ní Job 29
When Job
òun náà fẹ́ nu
think
kan
about it in Job chapter
ọkàn ẹ̀ balẹ̀
he was
onígbà tó ka ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí lọ́rùn kó gbà kò jẹ́ kẹ́nikẹ́ni bàbá gbọ́ ń jẹ́ kó
He
gbà.
never allow anyone to corrupt his faith.
ó ti dẹ́ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló máa pa ọ́
You've seen
ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni ọ́
sin will kill you.
oníyẹ̀yẹ́ ni yín
You are useless.
Job
people.
29:14
Ìwé Job orí
òdodo ni
orí
I put
kọ̀ọ̀kan
no
lọ́dọ̀
righteousness.
eo
èmi sì mú òdodo wọ̀
kí ló lóun ṣe
èmi mú òdodo
mo
wọ̀
gbé wọ̀ mo gbé wọ̀
ó sì bò mí lára.
ó bò mí
And he covered my
be
body.
sure of that mo gbé wọ̀ ó bò mí
Covered
ìdájọ́
me.
mi dàbí aṣọ ìgúnwà àti adé ọba.
ṣe ẹjọ́ tó ń tò só mi kí lọ́kàn Jóòbù ṣe balẹ̀
Why is Job so
Nínú-
calm?
nínú ìgbì omi
Òkun ayé ti lù mí, mo fara mọ́ Jésù, ìdákọ̀ró ọkàn mi. Ọtí ìdánwò ilé bẹ̀rẹ̀ borí ọkàn mi. Mo sì nílé àánú rẹ̀ mo gbẹ́kẹ̀lé. Mo sì ní lé Jésù nínú ibi ayé. Mo sì ní lé Jésù orúkọ lè bà mí. Mo sì ní lé Jésù ẹni tó lè bà mí. Mo sì ní lé Jésù àpáta.
pé inú Ọlọ́run yọ
That God was pleased
nígbà tó gbé Jésù dìde
when he raised Jesus.
pé ò dá wa lẹ́jọ́
That will not be
a ò
judged.
dá wa lẹ́bi
We are not be condemned.
ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀ o lè rí ẹni tí ìgbàlá yé
You cannot see
mo ń
someone
kejẹ́ kọ́kẹ́ ẹ sí
without
mi
salvation. That is why I'm
mi
saying
ò sọ
calm
pé kò
down.
ní dùn ẹ́ tó bá ní wàhálà
I'm not saying you
mi
will
ò
not be
lóòní
painful when you
confidence
are
ló máa assurance yẹn ló máa fi gbàdúrà
ṣùgbọ́n ìdánilójú ni wàá fi lọ
assurance yẹn ló máa fi dó níwájú Ọlọ́run
That confidence
ó ń gbanú
is
ayé
to
yìí
pray.
kọjá gbanú ayé yìí kọjá
You are passing through a stormful.
Èdè òyìnbó mo ti kọ́, mo kọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ìkíní lóyìnbó, mo wá fi nínú ìjọsìn ni o, mo wá fi kórọ̀sì ẹ̀ lé. Ètòrí èdè òyìnbó ẹ̀ ó gbọ́dọ̀ jáde ju Yorùbá lọ. Ẹ má bínú Yorùbá dá o.
The English pattern
Bóyá
bring
torí pé mo dẹ̀
out
gbóyìnbó kékeré ni mo
the
ṣe máa ń sọ pé
wordings
mi ò gbọ́ púpọ̀.
very well.
(504) RH part 1.
RH part 1 504.
Mo ti dà yín síṣẹ́, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ kọ́kọ́ wá jáde. Alùdùdù ti mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ayé ò lè gbé ọ lọ. Ta ló wà nú ọkọ̀?
Jésù.
Bíbélì. Ó yá.
Master Data Blessed Tragedy, Habinos and tossing high. The sky is a shadowy darkness, no shelter for every
Kórọ̀sì yẹn mo fẹ́ gbọ́.
the rest don't know that we perish. How can thou die asleep? Which moment so badly is threatening, and giving the unbelief. The winds and the waves shall open and we
Weather.
when there's a road to the sun to see, on the mountains of the swallow the sheep and lies, in the star of ocean and the skies, where all this is no say my life is missing, where all this is no say thy will be
The wrath of the sea that is raging on demons, on men, or whatever it may be. No waters, no waves can swallow the sheep. We are the master of the ocean, the land, and the sea. Ẹlẹ́dàá omi, ẹlẹ́dàá ilẹ̀, ẹlẹ́dàá òkun, ó wà nú ọkọ̀. Ó wà nú ọkàn mi, ó ń gbé bẹ̀. Ìjì kan á lè rí ọkọ̀ Jésù olùgbàlà.
Can any storm swallow the heart in which
Ìgboyà tá a
the
fi
vessel in which Jesus
tá a
is
máa ní
trapped?
tàbá ti wọ̀ lágbádá òdo.
Those are the boldness we have when we are with God.
Ìgboyà ọ̀hún mo fi máa ń gbà bá ti dé ibi
It
àdúrà.
is in that boldness
Inú àdúrà ni o.
I use in prayer.
Màá ní ṣé ẹ ti ní ìpàdé ṣe.
I do tell them,
Ẹ múra sí.
continue in your
Ẹ
meeting.
tó bọ̀ lọ ṣèpàdé.
Go
Ṣé
ahead.
ìpàdé yín máa kọjá rí igi àgbélébù?
That your meeting will not go
Ta ni
to
nínú yín tí ò wá síbi
who
àgbélébù?
among you
Ẹ̀mí èṣù tí ò bá tẹ lọ ọbẹ̀
in the crowd.
kó jáde.
Darkness, any
Gbogbo yín ló lọ ọbẹ̀
spiritual
tẹ́ ẹ rọrùn. Ibẹ̀ náà ti rọrùn.
You are
Àwọn
the
ajá,
that is
àwọn
why
màlúù
you
Báṣánì,
put trouble.
gbogbo yín ló péra jọpọ̀. Ibẹ̀ náà ti rọrùn.
The dogs, that is where you put
Bàbá náà yín gan rọrùn lọ́rùn
your
àpáàdì.
chief father.
Lọ́gúnlẹ̀ tàbí omi control
He
lórí
put
pọ̀tọ̀.
himself into trouble where he was controlling you.
Olémọdé ló pé
He thought it's a church place.
nígbà tẹ́nìkan jáde síbẹ̀
When
pẹ̀lú aṣọ
somebody
òdodo
came out there with garment of
tó
righteousness,
jáde pẹ̀lú aṣọ òdodo.
he appeared there with garment of righteousness.
Ó lóun lọ bó lóun lọ.
He said he's going and said where
Ilẹ̀ mú
he
dúró.
wanted to run.
Bàbá lóun tẹ́ ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ ní
And
abẹ́
our
ẹsẹ̀.
father told us he
Ó
must
yí
upon
ẹ̀yìn
him.
padà.
He turned
Ó ní
back.
kóun máa sá lọ.
He wanted to
Ó ní
run.
mo lé mo bá
I
mo
pursued
tẹ́ ẹ
him, I
mọ́lẹ̀.
overtook him and I walked, I tread
Ta
upon
ló
him.
olúwa ẹ̀
Who is that person
tó máa da yé ẹrú?
that will thwart your life?
Ìjìwó ló máa
Which
bá ti
storm
jẹ́.
will ruin your life?
Àjẹ́wó.
Which wish?
Assurance, quietness.
Ìsinmi ọkàn.
Blessed quietness, holy quietness,
What assurance in my soul, and the storm is still. Jesus speaks to me, and the bitterness is around.
So kí ni mò ń tẹnu mọ́ láàárọ̀
What am I
yìí?
emphasizing on this morning?
Tó bá ti jẹ́ kọ̀rọ̀ wọlé. Nípa gbígbọ́ mo fẹ́ parí ẹ̀kọ́.
Through
Ní
him,
ìgbàgbọ́ fi ń wá.
faith cometh.
Gbogbo ohun tí mo kọ́ lẹ̀ mo ti bọ́ síbi tó kẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ sókè ẹgbẹ́ sókè
All
lọ́
I'm
máa kọ́.
reading,
Gbé
I've done,
sókè.
I skipped it to the last point.
Ó ní má ṣe wírí ọkàn rẹ.
Don't say in your heart,
Ta ni yóò gòkè lọ sí ọ̀run?
we are sent
Kó mú
to
Jésù
heaven,
sọ̀kalẹ̀.
bring Jesus
Má ní
down.
ta ló máa lọ ìsà òkú
Who
ta ló gbé
descended
dìde.
down
Ó ló ń
to
bẹ
raise
létí
you.
ọ̀dọ̀
Say
rẹ̀.
he's by your side.
Ẹ̀kọ́ òun lòun ń bẹ létí
You
ọ̀dọ̀
are
rẹ̀
listening
báyìí.
to the sermon now. He
Ó
is
ń
by
wọlé
your
báyìí
side.
tó bá jẹ́ kó wọlé.
He is in your heart if you allow him to
Ó ń
enter.
bẹ ní ẹnu rẹ̀.
He is in your mouth.
Tó bá ti fẹnu rẹ̀ jẹ́wọ́ pé
Once you
ohun tí mo
confess
sọ
it,
tó bá bá mi fẹnu jẹ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé
You can confess
awọ
with your
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi
mouth
nù.
that my sin has been
Ẹ̀jẹ̀
washed.
Jésù wọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
The
mi
blood
nù.
of Christ wash
Ṣé o
away
gbà
my
bẹ́ẹ̀?
sin. Do you believe that?
Mo rí àgbà.
I receive mercy.
Tó bá gbà wà máa sọ pẹ̀lú
You
mi.
believe it?
Mo rí àánú
Say
gbà.
after me.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù wọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
The
mi nù.
blood of Christ wash away my
Ọlọ́run
sin.
ò bínú sí mi mọ́.
God is not
Ọlọ́run ò
angry.
dá mi lẹ́jọ́ mọ́.
God has not judged me.
Ìdájọ́ ti parí lórí Jésù olùgbàlà.
Judgment end with Christ.
Àdá mi lẹ́bi mọ́. Kò sí ìdálẹ́bi mọ́. Ní ìsinsìnyí fẹ́ni tó wà nù Kristi
For
Jésù.
he that is Christ.
Ta ní ṣe ẹlẹ́jọ́
You are my
mi?
accuser.
Ẹni tí ń dá my champion is around.
Olùdáláre
My
mi wà
champion is
nítòsí.
around.
Olùdáláre mi wà nítòsí.
Wash in the blood.
Àti wẹ̀mí nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Àwa àtàmọ́lẹ̀ mi ò rìn nínú òkùnkùn mọ́.
I'm no more walking in darkness.
Àwọ̀ mi lágbádá òdodo.
The garment of righteousness is
Àwọ̀
upon
mi
me.
láṣọ ìgbàlà.
The garment of salvation.
Tó o bá ti gbàgbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń
Once you
jẹ́wọ́,
believe in that and you
àgbà
confess
ọ̀la.
it, you are saved.
Jẹ́ ń parí ẹ̀.
Let me end this sermon.
Ẹ má kọrin àápẹ́. Mo mọ̀ pé orin ńlá kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ má kọ àápẹ́. Omi jí nǹkú mi gan ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ ká fi lẹ̀. Psalm 85. Ó pàdé ara ni, ó gbọ́dọ̀ pàdé ara ni. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ pàdé ara ni.
It must
Òdodo,
join together.
àlàáfíà, ayọ̀.
Righteousness,
Gbogbo rẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ fẹnu kura
peace,
lẹ́nu ni.
joy must kiss themselves.
Psalm
àánú
85.
àti òtítọ́ pàdé ra.
Tí o rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn máa gbọ́.
Òdodo
Tó máa ń jẹ́ kọ́kẹ́ èèyàn balẹ̀.
What brings that assurance?
Àánú wà lórí ẹ̀jẹ̀ wà lórí ìtẹ́. Mo ló wà lórí ìtẹ́. Mo ló wà lórí ìtẹ́.
The blood.
Láàárọ̀ yìí tó bá fẹ́ kọ́kẹ́ ẹ̀ balẹ̀.
You want that
Máa bọ̀
assurance?
níbi ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀nu mọ́.
To that place of the
Tí àánú bá ti ń wọlẹ̀ báyìí tó wọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ nù.
Once the mercy.
Agbádá òdodo àwọ̀ àánú àti òdodo ṣe kéne ó pàdé.
pàdé ra.
Mercy and
Òdodo
righteousness
àti
meet
àlàáfíà àti
themselves.
fẹ́.
Kí ló fà á?
Wow.
Òtítọ́ jáde sí ọkàn rẹ.
Truth appears
Òtítọ́
to
yóò
your
rú
heart.
jáde láti ilẹ̀ wá.
Tó títọ́ bá ti wọnú ọkàn rẹ.
Once the truth enter into your heart,
Tó o gbà wọlé báyìí.
you accept
Òdodo
it.
yóò sì bójú wo ilẹ̀ láti ọ̀run wá.
Wo látòrí ilẹ̀ báyìí.
Right
Ọlọ́run òdodo
from above.
abúdó olè wọ̀ báyìí.
The God of righteousness will look down.
Wọ́n á wá fẹnu kura lẹ́nu báyìí.
Then they will kiss themselves.
Àlàáfíà wọlé.
Peace will follow them.
Ọkàn rẹ̀ á balẹ̀.
You have a settled mind.
Kí ló ṣe so mẹ́kàn mi mo fẹ́
Why
parí
is
ẹ̀?
he why is it
Títí tó fi so
attached
mẹ́kàn
to
mi
my
ni pé
sermon?
torí ìfọkànbalẹ̀. Ibikíbi tó bá bára ẹ̀ láyé.
Anywhere you find yourself,
Ibikíbi tó bá bára ẹ̀ láyé.
wherever you find
A
yourself,
máa fúrúgbìn ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
you sow the seed of
Tó
the
bá ti ń
Lord.
sọ fún èèyàn.
As you
Tó
tell
ń sọ fún èèyàn.
people, you speak it,
Wà á tóbi láyé.
you will be great.
Gbéde mi. Gbogbo ìran ọmọ rẹ ló máa tóbi láyé.
All your generation will be great.
Lọ́ka Psalm 112.
Read Psalm 112.
Psalm 112. Ẹni tí a wẹ̀ mọ́.
Orin
Tó jẹ́ olóò.
Dáfídì.
Àwọn ọmọ ń yé alágbára ní ayé.
Their children will be strong.
Ẹ̀mí èṣù ò lè borí àwọn ọmọ rẹ níbikíbi.
Evil spirit cannot overcome your children.
Alágbára
They
láyé.
will be strong and hard.
Tí ẹ̀ka díẹ̀ mbẹ́ jẹ́ kí mi ká sáàmù ni.
Irú ọmọ rẹ̀ yóò lágbára lé ayé.
Alẹ́
1, 1, 2.
Ìran ẹni dúró ṣinṣin, ìran ẹni tí dúró
Generation
ṣinṣin
will
ni
be
a
tó
kò
ń
máa
jọ́sìn.
fún.
A súre lé ọ lórí báyìí.
Ọlá àti ọrọ̀ yóò wà ní ilé rẹ̀.
Pé wàá tálákà gbàgbé ẹ̀.
That will be wretched.
Òdodo rẹ̀ sì
Whatever
Mo
kúrò
ti
they-
sọ fún ọ.
láéláé.
I've told you.
Gbàgbé ẹ̀. Jẹ́ kí dọ́là wọ 1,000 ọmọ gòkè lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ibi tí
Let
kò dé.
dollar continue
Kò
to
kàn mí.
rise.
Kò dẹ̀ kàn ẹ́.
It's none of your business.
Fún ẹni
Kò
dídúró
kàn ẹ́.
It's none
Kò
of your
kàn ẹ́.
business. You are less concerned.
àwọn tó ń dàrú kan máa dàrú kò kẹ́.
Those who are-
mama níbo ni nàìjíríà fẹ́ yọrí
those
sí.
who are creating confusion
ìwọ ni
in-
nàìjíríà nàìjíríà rẹ kálẹ̀ a máa dáa fún ọ.
Are you Nigerian?
gbolomi dàrú lọ́wọ́ gbolomi dàrú
There may be chaos there.
wà á kẹ́rì pé a máa ṣe é ṣe.
You just discover you are having success.
akuku ṣe é ṣe mo mọ̀ akuku ṣe é ṣe mo mọ̀ akuku ṣe é ṣe mo mọ̀ torí mo gbàgbọ́ pé a ṣe é ṣe. tó ìfọ̀gbọ̀ngàn ni ó máa fi lọ bí kọjá.
You pass through this world with confidence.
àbáwọn ẹlẹ́nu méjì tó ń ṣèjọba yìí
All these,
sáwọn ló ń darí ayé ẹ kí ni wọ́n ń bójú tó
they are looking
ṣé
after
owó
money.
tó máa ná ni wọ́n ń bójú tó
Are they looking after
ire tèmi bolówà ògo mi
ló yọ ọ̀tọ̀nà.
ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi
ọ̀rọ̀ mi àṣeṣe agbára fún mi.
so in the midst of nínú ìrú omi ayé nínú ìjì tó ń jà
In the
ìjì
midst
fẹ́
of
sókè
storm of turbulence.
ó lè fẹ́ sókè jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹlẹ́dàá ìjì
The
Wà ní
creator
ọkàn.
of the storm is in your heart.
peace be still.
Kí àlàáfíà
má gbàgbé tó bá gbàgbé gbogbo
kó jọba,
ènìyàn
kí
má gbàgbé
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́
ọmọbìnrin tó ọmọ ẹ
kó
kú
hàn.
o.
Don't forget if you forget
Tony
everything.
is well.
Don't
It's
forget
well.
that woman
It's well.
that said it is well.
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló yẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ènìyàn kí ló yẹ kọ́ ọmọbìnrin.
Naturally,
ee o
what should be her
ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ kí
reaction?
n bá sọ báyìí madam tó bá jẹ́ ìwọ
If you are in her shoe,
láì tí ì gbàgbọ́ dáadáa láì tí ì gbà Jésù
yet to be,
tó bá jẹ́ ìwọ
you are in her, you find yourself in her shoe,
tó bá jẹ́ ìwọ
the lonely child.
ọmọ àfarúgbó bí. That's what God is giving you even more than her.
Wà nìyẹn ju tirẹ̀ gan lọ.
So gbogbo tó yí ọ ká lónìí
Everything that's
all is well say so all is
Kí
well.
àlàáfíà.
Ṣé ẹ rí ìfọkànbalẹ̀ yẹn
That assurance,
ayọ̀ yẹn
that joy,
tó o bá ń sin ọ̀gá kan
if you are serving
wàá máa
under
fi
one
ayọ̀
master,
like Joseph ó ń fi ayọ̀ kò yẹ kó sin ọ̀gá yẹn pẹ̀lú ayọ̀
you ought not to serve that master
ó dẹ̀
with
ń
joy.
sá torí ọjọ́ ayọ̀ tiẹ̀ ń bọ̀
Because his own day of joy is at hand.
wàá bá láyọ̀ yáyọ̀
You
lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀
rejoice
tiẹ̀ ń bọ̀
with
bá láyọ̀ yáyọ̀
joyful. Rejoice with them.
ojú àlè kókókókókókó sáláyọ̀ àánú ẹ̀ ṣe mí
To those who are
mo
rejoicing,
sọ́rí o mo sọ́rí fún ẹ gidigidigidigidigidi
sorry for you.
ọjọ́ bá yọ̀
You better rejoice with him.
jẹ́ kínú ẹ dùn
Be happy.
your own promotion is coming.
Ìgbéga tìrẹ náà dé tán.
ẹnu fẹ́ kú sí oníṣẹ́ ọjẹ́ kú torí iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́
Will I
Gbogbo
die
ẹni
because
ṣe-
of another man's work?
wọn ò ní fún ẹ ń tiẹ̀
You better
ọlọ́run ní
die
fi
because of it.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni
Because
ló ń
you
kà
don't
sí ọ
give
létí.
your own.
ó ní tó o bá ṣe tẹlòmíì dáadáa
If you
lọ́ọ̀kan
don't
nínú
do
16
that which is
a ò
what
lè fún
belongs
ọ
to another person, yours will not be given. That's Luke 16.
tó bá ń jalè níbi iṣẹ́ níṣẹ́
If you steal
olè ló máa
in
kó
another
gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó
man-
bá ṣe lọ
in
olè
another man's work,
olè
then those who will lose
kó o máa
your
jí èrú ẹ̀ lérù
you are stealing.
kó o bá lè ṣiṣẹ́ òun gan eléyìí tó bá ṣe atẹ́gùn eléyìí tátẹ́gùn ò bá gbé
Even
á
the
jó
one
mọ́lẹ̀.
you do, the one left by the wind will be burned off.
máa wo wọn
Because be
gbogbo àwọn
looking
tẹ̀rọ
at
pé ó
them.
ń kẹ́rù Nàìjíríà
Those whom you think are looting
àwọn
this
díẹ̀
country,
tá a mọ̀ òjòjò náà fi ń wò
little that we know they were
àwọn ẹbọra náà ló ń gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn
disease and sickness.
àwọn ẹbọra tán lọ ń bá nu gbó ìgbàlẹ̀ níbi tán ti ń jẹran èèyàn àwọn náà ló ń gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn.
Are the thing that's taking the money away from them.
Peace be still.
Kí ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ kí ó wà.
It is when that peace
Ọ̀rọ̀ kí ó wà.
I repeat God will bless you
Ọlọ́run á bùkún wa.
wherever you are
Ibikíbi tá a bá wà.
you are going out again
A tó ń jáde lọ báyìí
to begin to plant
láti gbìn.
you will reap
Wà á kórè.
you will reap
Wà á kórè.
you are not too old
O ò tí ì dàgbà.
olùbẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀ so èso ní ọjọ́ ogbó
Bible says you will
ihun tó bá ń ru lọ́kàn ẹ̀ báyìí má lo ti ń kú
in
lọ
your
o
old days
wá lo ẹ̀bùn ẹ̀ báyìí o
use your
lò ó
baby.
torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe wà láyé o
That is the-
lò ó
that is
lò
the
ó
purpose of your
lò ó
life.
lò ó níbẹ̀ ló ṣe tí ì kú o
That is
lò ó
what
lò báyìí o
Use use it now.
A ò dí ẹ lọ́wọ́ ní living God o.
Nobody is disturbing you or hindering you here in this church.
Mo kàn máa ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ láti train ẹ ni.
I will only help
Màá
you.
train ẹ sójú Bíbélì, that's all. Màá dẹ́ ìyàsẹ́gbẹ́ báyìí, ó máa ṣẹ̀kọ́ lọ. Kódà mo ń wá gbogbo ilé tí mo ṣe báyìí, bóyá kí n máa ṣẹ̀kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lóṣù méjì.
I'm expecting pastors to be preaching just for me maybe once in a month or twice in a month.
Kí n ṣorí ọ̀fẹ́.
Just for me to share the grace.
Ó ń bọ̀ báyìí tẹ́ ẹ̀kan lè rí pé mo ti travel lọ báyìí.
You know, we travel.
Kẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọ́ mi, mo lè nìkan gbé agbada síta. Kẹ́ kí mi ṣẹ̀kọ́ ọjọ́ Sunday kẹ́ máa wò.
You want to hear me? And say they should.
Lo ẹ̀bùn ẹ, lo ẹ̀bùn ẹ, lo ẹ̀bùn ẹ.
Use your gift.
Mo tún sọ ẹ̀yin ọmọ yẹn gbogbo bíi tí ẹ wà pátápátá as a student in colleges in university anywhere you are ẹ ti ríṣẹ́ síbi kan má gbàgbé pé kí ló ṣe débì kí ló ṣe débì béèrè ní kí bàbá àti ìyá ẹ pàtàn lé wọn fún
Let
yín
them tell the story of your family background.
tó bá mọ̀ tán lé
If
yín
you don't know the story,
ní kí bàbá ẹ sọ ìtàn lé yín fún yín
ask from your father.
kó wàá béèrè kí ni mo ṣe débi tí mo
And
dé
then you
lónìí
ask yourself, how do I get
ṣé
here?
ó tọ́ sí mi láti kàwé débi tí mo
Am
kà
I worthy of this
ṣé ó tọ́ sí
position?
mi láti rírú iṣẹ́ yìí
Am I worthy of this
kó wàá
job?
débẹ̀ tán kó wàá máa tàpá.
Then for you to get there and be pricking your
Sow the seed of faith in the life of people
ẹ̀gbin èso ìgbàgbọ́ sí inú ayé àwọn ènìyàn.
and people will believe you.
Àwọn ènìyàn á sì gbà ọ́ gbọ́.
You could be extraordinarily brilliant. People will want to know why are you brilliant?
O lè.
Where are you getting that? Why are you getting to where you are going? Let them know it is only Jesus.
Àwọn ènìyàn á sì mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ni
It's
ṣùgbọ́n kí
only
wọn náà
Jesus.
jẹ́ kán mọ̀ pé
It's only
Jésù
Jesus.
ni pé ọlá Ọlọ́run ni mò ń jẹ.
Ó máa ń dàn Jésù ni.
You are shining, it is God.
Ó máa ń tóbi Jésù ni.
You are becoming far
Parí ẹ̀ mú lọ lé.
it is through God.
Ayé yóò máa béèrè wípé.
Báwo ni mo ṣe ṣe é? Ènìyàn yóò bí mi léèrè níbo ni bàbá gbọ́rọ̀ mi gbà. Èmi náà yóò dáhùn wípé àánú ni mo rí gbà. Torí Jésù ti ṣíwèé ìrántí kan mi, ó ràn mí lọ́wọ́.
Máa gbé èso.
Sow the seed.
Wọ́n á máa bí ọ́.
They will ask you.
But I'm repeating as I'm asked to
Mo
announce.
tún tún sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe
God
fi
will
sí mi
bless
lọ́rùn láti sọ pé Ọlọ́run á bùkún wa.
Wherever you are,
Ibikíbi tá a bá
wherever you plant,
ibikíbi tá a bá
bountiful harvest will come out.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìkórè là á kó níbẹ̀.
Where there is righteousness,
Níbi tí òdodo bá gbé wà,
there will be quietness.
ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ á wà níbẹ̀.
There will be assurance.
Ìdánilójú á
And
wà
where
níbẹ̀.
there is assurance,
Níbi tí ìdánilójú
where
bá ti
there
wà.
is quietness,
Níbi tí ìdákẹ́rọ́rọ́ bá ti wà.
whatever you lay your hand,
Ohun tó o bá
you
ti
will
gbé
prosper.
ọwọ́ rẹ lé wàhálà lù lọ níbẹ̀.
Wherever you are,
Ibikíbi tó o bá
báwọn
wà.
ní ènìyàn ò í lọ níbẹ̀ wà á lọ.
Even if it is difficult for people to pass through the place,
Parí
you
ẹ̀.
sail through.
Òróró rẹ̀ ni mí. Ẹ̀yin ló jẹ́ kí n lọ. Ọwọ́ ọ̀tún mi lórí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀.
Bàbá yóò ṣẹ́gun orílẹ̀-èdè níwájú mi láti àmúre ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọba. Yóò fún mi ní ìṣúra àti ọrọ̀.
Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ilẹ̀kùn ire tó máa ṣí níwájú mi. Èyí tí a kì yóò lè tì.
Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i.
Ẹni òróró rẹ̀ ni mí. Ó ti di ọwọ́ ọ̀tún mi mú. Akíndéjì bàbá yóò ṣẹ́gun orílẹ̀-èdè níwájú mi. Létí àmúre ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọba. Yóò fún mi ní ìṣúra àti ọrọ̀. Ilẹ̀kùn ire kó máa ṣí níwájú mi. Èyí tí a kì yóò retí.
Ó ṣe ló máa jọ́sìn. Ó ṣe ló máa gbàdúrà. Ó bá tò yù.
Ìfẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run. Ìdàpọ̀ ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́. Kó máa bá wa lọ bí a. Kó di ọwọ́ ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan. Àti ẹ̀mí àti ọkàn àti ara. kí ó pa á mọ́ ní pípé. Jésù Kristi Olúwa wa.